from an angry crowd creates total disruption right in police station parking lot.
Listen,
step over here. I'll listen
let me tell you about these people.
Separate for a second.
Y'all came in with...
To a woman thinks the police are trying to kidnap her.
You know. Like it's only gonna hurt. Sit down.
You know who was right.
Turn around for me. You're under arrest for driving under the influence of...
These are the times when good cops humiliate Karens who think police are their employees. Officers from the precinct noticed a group of people fighting in the parking lot on August 31st, 2021.
Back over here. Come on here. Step back over here.
Don't take me round her. No. Hey, don't let me go.
Over there.
This is my daughter.
Step over here.
Listen.
Step over here. Step over here.
Listen.
Step over here. I'll
Let
listen
me
in a
tell you
minute.
about these people.
Separate for a second.
Y'all came in with very
Chill.
disrespectful.
Stay with them.
We came here for help.
We came here to park here.
My kids.
How far you came together?
Came together.
After arriving at the scene, the officers proceeded to arrest those who were fighting there.
I'm good. Don't touch me. Hey, man.
Put her in the car. You don't listen, put her in the car.
Man, leave me alone.
I'm calling for y'all.
Man. Bro. Man, let me go. Hey, man.
Keep her away from me.
Watch your hands. Watch your hands.
Let me go. Come on, man. Y'all
Handcuffs.
doing too much.
Handcuffs.
Hey, man, get my...
Handcuffs.
Hey, man, get the off me.
No, ma'am. You're under arrest.
Under arrest for what?
Disorderly conduct. I know, it is funny, isn't
Can
it?
I get up, please?
Sure. Roll over on your side. Stand up on your leg. On your feet.
Get up. Boom. Watch your face.
I swear to God, it's off me. I swear to God. Don't let me touch you. I swear to God, man. Hey, bro. Hey. Alright, okay, I ain't finna run on that. Can you let me go?
No, ma'am. Have you seen the car? I don't know.
The officers at the scene began to split up to gather information from the witnesses.
He followed all the way from the movie to here.
All the way from the south side.
Stevenson.
They were on 38. They follow us all
He
the
in
way
my
to the
bumping
south
y'all.
side.
And she got a car.
Stand by with the phone.
I got this for my daughter.
I got three.
Yeah, I was with her the whole time in the car. My kids and stuff were there. And what she did was follow us. I told my wife take it over to the first precinct she could. She told somebody out the window, just hold tight. I got the license plate, everything. Y'all can shoot that shit up. She tried to follow us, and that's what the boys are feeling like that.
Oh, yeah, she hit the road when we stopped at the
Other
stop
cars,
sign. I didn't
the
get
fellas,
that on
and she
the
called
I
somebody and said,
after she
they gonna shoot it up or something.
Would you bump somebody's car
She
with
was
your car
following us
to
all the way,
work?
I guess, for the people to come back, for trouble. This lady over here was,
Immigration. So what is all this about?
all this about us looking at her car. Us looking at her car. We went out the car, nothing looking at the car. We just drove through, like, what do that say?
Y'all saw the writing.
Correct. And she went off from there, calling people on the phone. That's how all these people appeared to the crime scene. And the lady just jumped out the car and just tried to come strike us. I mean, when she pulled up in the road. Yeah, the only reason I told her to keep going and didn't react to it is because my 6-month and my 4-year-old in the car. That's the only reason. Y'all probably would have had me in handcuffs today.
She's saying anything
She was just cussing in front of kids, telling me they're going to shoot this shit up.
A while later, one of the officers came out and reported what he had gathered.
All about her car, it's the way it's painted.
Why is she angry with him?
Because they came in and she felt like disrespecting her car, making fun of it. To her, it's a shrine to her daughter who was killed. To them, they thought it was somebody vandalized your car. And so she got upset. However, they thought they were doing a car, and then I think she claimed she offered, hey, you want to take a picture? She says it's on Instagram. I guess it's, like I said, a shrine for her daughter, which she may know, and the people close to her may know. People in general wouldn't probably know that just looking at it. So somehow she got upset, offended by them thinking her car was vandalized. I guess the daughter said, you want to take a picture, probably in a smart-ass way, and then they just started getting words from there. They claim that she was following them all the way from the movie theater. She claims she was being followed, but started following them on Jefferson Street to come to the precinct.
Why does she follow them to the precinct?
They have, I didn't watch how much video of her behind them.
We can definitely find out from the cameras who followed who in the parking lot.
Well, I mean, which at that point, alright, they can both claim one already come to the precinct, but
Well, she admitted she followed them to the precinct for what reason, I have no idea.
Any signs of the car accident?
and so apparently big girl over here wasn't even in the car. She comes from somewhere else.
This car?
Them car.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw her pull in, and she tried to pull in over here, but I blocked her, and she
drove?
pulls in over there. She comes storming out saying, you want to start something right now? And so that's when I stopped her from walking.
After collecting information from the witnesses, the officers regrouped to review and summarize what they had gathered.
They said it wasn't like that. Left. She was the driver. The girl in custody was the passenger. Making threats of we're gonna have someone who had your house shot up and have you killed. You're not going to see the day. Someone to do so. And then they live right over here, so they came to the precinct. They followed here.
Okay.
They all
What
have
is her side?
same exact story.
She's saying they went to the movies on Stevenson. They were leaving to go out. That car said something to them. Or no, her daughter said, do you want to take a picture of your car? Because the car is in her daughter's memory decorated.
Another daughter, I'm guessing?
Yeah, well, the daughter got
She
shot.
got deceased daughter.
Yeah, got shot. So, the other daughter was saying, do you want to take a picture of the car? They were like, I don't give a f about your kid. I don't give a f about the car. And then they went to turn out. And then the other car tried to sideswipe them on Victor. Got in front of them, started braking. For them to try to get hit, basically.
That car?
Yeah. Okay. That car, whichever car was involved.
They were tapped from behind. But
I didn't see any damage.
There is video of
Did she
her
say-
being behind them.
You have it? You saw it?
They have-
Did you, did she tell you why she followed them to the precinct?
She claims she was going to Sizzler, and then she thought about going to her baby's daddy's house. And I'm like, did you have a phone? Yeah. I'm like, why didn't you call the police? You know, I was coming up here. Just no excuse for why she followed them.
The officer proceeded to arrest the suspect and took her to the station for processing.
Did nothing to them people.
Can I turn around, ma'am?
For what?
You're being charged with disorderly conduct and supposed
For what? I did nothing to them people.
Put your hands around your back.
I want y'all to check that camera
I
over
just
there.
did. Put your hands around your
So
back.
you don't see me doing this?
Put your hands around your back.
Officer!
It was the last time we're going to ask you.
Okay, my car's on. Can I cut my car?
No, man, we'll deal with that.
Okay, and my purse is in there.
Okay, we'll secure that.
But y'all gonna arrest me for these people? Y'all serious? You serious right now?
You been drinking?
No, I ain't been no drinking. Ain't no drinking in my car. Only thing I had was a BLK. That's what you smell on my breath. I was in a movie theater. I just showed him my stuff.
Where's your car, Maxwell?
This is crazy.
Like I said, you had a phone. If that was an issue over there, why didn't you call?
I'm coming to
many miles is
y'all.
that?
I'm coming to
Why didn't you
y'all.
call the police?
So why didn't
would
they
you
call?
call them over here?
So why didn't they call? So why didn't they call?
I'm trying to use common sense with you.
No, ain't no common sense. We
Yeah, put
doing
it
the
in the car.
same thing. We doing the same
Which
thing.
is not the right thing, and now look
I
where
Three Bravo
can't.
two.
You would see me waving my ass for y'all. It's cool. The devil
have a female
gonna knock
officer
on
come
your
to the
door.
precinct
Let that
for a
spirit
search?
soul, let spirit. Pop, 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 pop.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and simple assault. These charges can lead to penalties such as fines up to $1,000, possible jail time of up to 6 months, and a criminal record. If convicted, she may also face probation and mandatory anger management classes. Everyone has their opinion, and the viewers who commented below this video are no exception. How smooth of a brain do you have to fight in a police parking lot? That big dummy drove her ass straight to the arrest. It's embarrassing to know that other countries think that Americans behave like this. Violence in public places can have serious legal consequences. It's a strong reminder that staying calm and avoiding confrontation is always the better choice. And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation.
Okay, I'm not playing this game. Turn around.
Excuse me,
Turn
sir,
around.
you're assaulting me. You're assaulting me.
A cop attempted to pull over a car for speeding on June 14th, 2024, but the driver refused to stop.
Hey, roll down your window. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Because I'm stopping you. Put your car in park. Speeding. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Put your car in park.
You don't have no jurisdiction over me.
Put your car in park.
You don't have
Put your car in park.
You don't have jurisdiction over me.
925. We're stopped in traffic. Not with a car. Put your car in park. Stop.
One female subject with child in the car.
Dog. Southbound, continuing. Subject advised. We don't have jurisdiction to stop her.
After catching up with the woman, the officer immediately placed her under arrest.
Hey, roll down your window. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Because I'm stopping you. Put your car in park. Speeding. Put your car in park. Put your car in park. Put your car in park.
You don't have no jurisdiction over me.
Put your car in park.
You don't have
Put your car in park.
You don't have jurisdiction over me.
925. We're stopped in traffic. Not with a car. Put your car in park. Stop.
One female subject with child in the car.
Dog. Southbound, continuing. Subject advised. We don't have jurisdiction to stop her. What's the apartment number on that address?
Ma'am.
You don't have jurisdiction over me. I don't know why you was telling me to stop.
No, I absolutely telling you to stop. I do have jurisdiction over you. You're within Pinellas County. Okay?
I have jurisdiction over you.
And 10, 12, 10, 4. Slow everybody else down.
Copy. All units 997, slow down.
Okay, listen.
Sir, I don't have to listen to you. I don't know
Absolutely.
why you say I was speeding,
Yes,
but
I need your driver's license.
I don't have to give you my driver's license.
You absolutely have to identify yourself.
Where's the proof that I was speeding? How was I speeding if you was behind me the whole time with, I guess,
Stand by.
with
Are
the
you
lights?
going to produce your driver's license or not?
For what, though?
Because I'm stopping you because you're going 51 miles an hour at 35.
What is the probable cause?
That's my probable cause. 51 and a 35.
Where's the proof of that? You was behind me.
I'm not playing this game. Turn around.
Excuse
Turn
me, sir.
around.
You're assaulting me. You're assaulting me. Sir, you're assaulting me. Go get my dad. You're assaulting me. What are
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You're accosting me. Yo.
Man, put your arm behind your back right now.
Come on. Y'all accosting me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't talk to her. Don't say nothing to her. Not a damn thing. Do not talk to that lady. I don't care what she asks you.
1025. Yeah, 11015.
You guys are accosting me. This is a lawsuit.
Okay.
Stop touching my daughter.
The car.
The woman was finally escorted to a squad car where she'll then make some more snarky remarks.
Bring her to the car.
Wait, hold on, wait. I know you. I know you. Can you please go? Can you please go make sure my daughter good? Like, what the is going on? What's going on? I don't know. He just came and banged on my window, my car window.
Get close to the cruiser for me. Right in your stance. Face the cruiser.
I was at a red light.
I'm gonna let you talk.
I don't want that lady talking to my
Moving.
You ain't got no Stop. Me. I want all y'all cars. Cause this man, what are you doing?
Stop moving.
Bitch. Yo, y'all gotta be. Yo, alright. Lawsuit. Okay. Ma'am, I was at a red light and this guy just came and banged on my dad's window for nothing. I'm like, what the are you doing? He's like, oh, get out the car. I'm like, for what? He's like, oh, well, I didn't even hear what he said. And I'm like, you don't have jurisdiction over me. I didn't do anything. He just tried to get me to, I don't know what the hell happened. Well, then I just kept going because I don't know you. You have guns. I don't know you.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
This is a lawsuit. I just dealt with y'all, bro. Yo, what the? This is a lawsuit, bro. This is a lawsuit, bro.
I think I'm sitting.
Okay. I think
Am I?
it's yours. Yeah, it's yours.
Okay.
Just give us a minute because we're going to search it.
All right.
I swear to God, Dad, this guy, I'm at a red light. This guy right here just came out of nowhere banging on the door telling me to get out.
The woman continued to deny any wrongdoing, and moments later, the officer noticed that she had somehow slipped out of her handcuffs.
I never gave him consent to search my stuff. I promise y'all this is a lawsuit. No.
I want to hear
I'm
from
about to tell you exactly what happened.
Okay,
I'm coming from.
Please do, but don't yell.
I'm upset. He came out. I'm driving. I got scared.
Turn around.
I got
Turn around.
scared.
Put the cuffs
'cause I'm
back behind
what
you.
the
Turn back around.
It slid off because my hand was sweaty.
We got to recuff it, so turn.
Cuff it in the front because
No.
I can't do my bones that far back. I have a health condition. So.
What's your health condition?
No,
Oh my gosh.
you're gonna do what you're told.
But you don't have no jurisdiction over me. How about that? How about you're gonna do what you're told when I file a lawsuit?
Rotate your body.
Because y'all are costing me.
You go over there if you want.
Every time I come here, it's something with y'all. This is my second time coming here. Y'all f***ing with me. Like, so he banging on the door and I'm scared at this point. I'm like, why are you banging on the door? He like, get out, get out, get out. I'm like, for what? He's like, oh, get out, get
I
out.
didn't say get out at all.
Yes, you did. You
No,
said.
I said I need your license.
Speak to me. Speak to me.
So he told me to.
The woman kept arguing with the officer, insisting she had done nothing wrong, unaware that all her previous actions had been caught on body cam.
Get out.
Hey, roll down your window.
Why you banging on
Put your car in park.
Why?
Put your car in park.
Why?
Because I'm stopping you. Put your car in park. Speeding.
And I'm like, for what? He was like, I need your license. I need your license. I'm like, what do you need my license for? What is the problem? I'm trying to figure out what
where
the
were you
hell.
going to?
I was on my way to my dad's house.
Okay, and Dad's house is here?
Yeah,
Okay.
you know that.
I just gotta double check. It's been a minute.
So at that point I'm scared and he don't got no jurisdiction over me. I'm not from here. I come here here and now to visit
You
my
still up in
dad.
Georgia?
Yes, I stay in Georgia. Yes.
Okay.
My daughter stays here with my dad while I'm in Georgia and I come back and forth
You go
to
back
be
and
a
forth.
mom. Yes. So he just came out of nowhere. He banged like
What do you think he pulled you over for? You think you're
I
speeding?
didn't care
or-
to know because I didn't do anything.
Okay.
He just now said, "Oh, you was going 51 in the 35."
Listen, I asked you these questions because I wasn't there.
A 51 in the 35.
Okay. So and then what happened?
Do you know how that looks? That would look like real life speeding. Like that's speeding
Yeah, especially in a whatever zone you're
with the
in.
child in the car. So I'm like, I was not just going 51 in the 35.
Mm-hmm.
I saw him right there. The lady let me over. I signaled for her so I can get over. I got over and I drove.
It's just
He
you
came-
and the baby in the car?
Yes, he came out of nowhere, banging on the car. I'm scared for my life because I had situations with y'all just recently.
Did you hear the siren in the?
No. I'm not thinking that he has anything to do with me because I did not do anything.
I got you.
I didn't do anything.
I just want to know from your point of view what happened because, like I said, I wasn't there. It was just him and you and baby.
Y'all have no right to do this. You have no probable cause. You have no proof of anything. I just picked up my daughter. How am I doing a 53 and a 35 or whatever he said? How? With the child in the car? How?
I wasn't.
Do you have a speeding radar gun that you shot up and then?
He does. He is speed.
Does that show that I did that? Because I wasn't the only car driving.
So just so you know, when you get pulled over and you leave, that's fleeing.
What?
What you did today?
I didn't get pulled over though. He came to the stoplight and banged on my dad's car. I didn't know.
He activated his lights and sirens.
He didn't say pull over.
We don't have to say pull over.
He didn't activate
a lawful traffic stop. I'm pretty sure he did, and he could probably prove that to you with body camera and in-car.
The woman was charged with resisting an officer without violence and eluding a police officer, which is classified as a felony. These charges can lead to serious penalties, including up to 5 years in prison, hefty fines, and a permanent criminal record. Depending on the circumstances, she could also face probation or mandatory court programs. Everyone has their opinion, and the viewers who commented below this video are no exception. That level of stupidity should be a felony. Driving without a license, speeding, disobeying lawful orders, fleeing, resisting arrest. I did nothing wrong. Professional victim. Attempting to flee or resist even without violence can escalate the situation and result in felony charges. Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
Turn around for me. You're under arrest for driving under the influence of...
On February 10th, 2025, an anonymous tipster reported being threatened by a woman sitting in a gold vehicle in the parking lot of the Santa Fe County Adult Detention Center.
Sit in the driver's seat. Get in the driver's seat. Have a seat. Do you not see the lights? Okay. Sit down.
Hi.
What are you guys doing here?
I'm waiting for my brother.
You're waiting for your brother?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, what else has been going on here? Put this cigarette out.
Oh.
Sorry about that.
I told you.
I put it out, but out the door.
And then she was sitting on the curb cold, so I let her sit in the
Who
car.
is she?
Dolores. I didn't get her last name.
So you just pick people up? Random people?
I was just trying to help her.
Okay. So, were you texting somebody? Threatening somebody?
No.
After approaching the suspect, the officer instructed the woman to exit the vehicle and proceeded to ask her several questions.
And are you intoxicated right now? Have you had any alcoholic beverages today?
Not at all.
Not at all? What you want, I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle and we're going to check that, okay? All right, come on over here. Right here's fine. Right over here. Right there's fine. Turn and face me. Hands to your sides. Feet together. Okay. Do you have any medical issues that I need to know about?
Yes, I'm on Lexapro and I can help you.
What is that for?
Anxiety and depression.
Are you supposed to drive with those types of medications? You got an okay from your doctor this morning to drive on medications?
Yes.
For anxiety?
Yeah.
Where's the note?
I don't have it. We communicate.
Doctors don't give notes for people to drive with medications that could possibly impair your driving. Doctors don't give notes.
Okay.
So, did a doctor give you a note?
I can check my email.
They either did or they didn't.
She did.
She did.
She knows that my brother
She
is in the
says you
hospital.
can drive, so if something happens, she's responsible, correct?
Yes.
Doctors don't do that. So I don't believe that. Okay? And you said you had 0 alcoholic beverages.
Yeah.
0 at all. None. Okay.
None.
And you took your medication at what time?
The last time I took it was at 6:30
6:30 a.m., p.m.?
p.m.
PM.
I have to take it every 4 hours.
The officers then asked the woman to perform a series of sobriety tests.
Can you see the tip of my finger?
Yes.
What I want you to do is follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes.
Follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head.
Sorry,
Put your head
I
straight.
got distracted by them.
Well, don't get distracted.
I'm just nervous. Sorry.
You're turning your head. Keep your head straight. Your nose to my nose. Just move your eyes. Don't have any questions.
No, ma'am.
All right. You may begin. Count out loud.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. May I return?
What are the instructions that I gave you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. Do you understand?
9. Yeah, my left leg, because I can't do that with my right.
You can pick whichever leg you want. I need you to be looking down at your elevated foot. Do you understand?
Okay.
All right, you may begin.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
Look at your elevated foot. Continue and look at your elevated foot.
1, 1,000. 1, 1,000. Oh, sorry.
Continue.
1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000. Sorry. 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, 1,000, 12, 1,000. 13, 1,000, 14, 1,000, 15,
You can stop.
1,000.
Following the completion of the tests, the woman was taken into custody for driving while intoxicated DWI.
Turn around for me. Turn around for me. You're under arrest for driving under the influence of intoxicating liquor and or drugs.
Okay. Babe, take my car home and take care of honey, okay?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, ma'am.
Widen your stance. Widen your stance. Widen your stance.
Take my car home. Take care of honey.
Do you have a phone? Is there a phone that you want to take?
No, it's okay.
All right, go ahead and step to the back of my patrol unit. Right here. Have a seat. Let me have that flashlight, thank you. Do me a favor, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Lift your tongue. Lift it. Like this. Alright.
I'm gonna need my meds while I'm in there.
We don't take medications. If you need medications, they can take. They can give
do me a
medications.
favor? Can you take off my ring and give it to my fiance?
You can take it off.
Last time I was here, you guys took all my jewelry and didn't give it back.
I don't take anything.
I know, and this is a grievance. I know who called.
So,
She's the one who put my brother in jail.
Okay, so, Again, it doesn't matter. You can't threaten people. You can't drive. You can't drive intoxicated. You can't drive while you're under the influence of medications. Doctors do not give permission to drive while you're medicated. Doctors don't do that. They just don't. Okay? So, put your feet in.
She was taken to the sheriff's office where she refused a breath test after being read the implied consent law.
You have a hard job.
We're going to go in this room right here. Right over here. In that room.
The bride chair?
No, in the room. In the room.
Oh. Is it possible to have some water?
After I do a few things with you, okay? Turn.
Sorry.
Bend at the hips just a little bit, or at your back.
Yeah, I can't bend forward anymore.
Okay, have a seat. Just hang tight for a second, okay?
Thank you.
I'll let you know what we're doing here in a little bit.
The woman was charged with aggravated driving while under the influence and spent the night in jail. This charge can carry serious penalties such as up to 1 year in jail, heavy fines, license suspension, and mandatory treatment programs. However, the next day, the prosecutor dismissed the charges without prejudice, meaning they could potentially be refiled in the future. Considering the ridiculous circumstances, the following comments emerged after the video was released and are very significant. Better give up my license. I'm on a multivitamin. Damn, that one leg stand keep your foot approximately 6 feet above the ground. The charges were dropped because that cop was such a huge D-bag. Driving under the influence can lead to arrest and serious legal consequences, even if charges are later dropped. Refusing to cooperate, such as declining a breath test, can also worsen the situation. Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
He's gonna start kicking. Stop pinching me.
On May 13th, 2022, police were called to a dispute outside a nightclub. Upon arriving to interview all individuals involved, officers came across a woman who turned aggressive right away.
Yeah, all y'all, come here.
Yeah, I've got nothing.
Okay, what's going on?
It's complete miscommunication and misunderstanding.
Hey Jeff, she just got in that car. I just got to talk to her. She's part of it.
I was attacked at the bar. You can pull the cameras.
Okay, what's going on down there?
Okay. This security guard, I don't know if he's a security guard or not,
Okay,
started yelling at one of my friends
okay,
because she was trying to take a picture by a vending machine. I don't know what it was.
okay.
He started yelling at her in Spanish, and I spoke to him in Spanish and said, "Hey, you don't have to speak to her in that tone."
Your friend is the girl in the beige?
Yes.
Okay.
And then a bartender from the building
All right.
came out and said, "You don't have to speak to him like that." Hey, look, he's speaking to my friend.
Yeah.
She's taking a picture by the vending machine. I don't know.
Okay.
Anyway, we left. She said, "Hey, you get in my face one more time, and I'm gonna hit you."
The bartender?
The bartender.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
This is my bar. This is my bar.
Yeah, she's a little dramatic.
Yeah. So she's at the door pushing me out, and so I'm like, "Hey, don't talk to me like that." And she pushes me out, and into the street.
Mm-hmm.
So this guy's fucking calling you guys. I'm like, "Hey, what are you doing?" I was hit first.
Yeah.
I was attacked. I'm walking
You can hear it in
away.
the video. I'm suing you. I'm suing you. I'm suing
Yeah,
you.
like, so
if we're being real, if we have to bring police into it, she's
this is the
100% on her first.
I'm
my
from
phone's
here.
fucking gone, and someone
we're
stole
out of
it.
state.
They're out of state. I flew them down to visit. Now I know how Jimmy girls are. I know the bartender county. I know Marcucci.
fucking
You
phone.
sure?
Someone stole
That
it.
called the other girl
It's
bartender.
dead.
They're always nice to take care of
This is
us.
like,
But this
no,
is
someone
their
stole it. It's
responsibility.
turned off.
It's
Someone
now
called it.
these are
It's turned off.
unfamiliar
What was it
territory.
look like? It's a
And
fucking
it just
iPhone,
got
but it has my ID.
thrown into action.
Luckily, I have my card. My
She was attacked.
No, someone
yes.
But I
The
can't get
bartender was
back.
in the wrong.
I can't get home
Yes.
without it.
But what is she supposed to do? She's being attacked. She offended my.
Yeah, can you go make 2-5 with? Apparently, the bartender's the one that started it.
Yeah, the bartender's the one that started it. She hit me.
With the statements being gathered, cops would now attempt to speak to the woman.
Hey, miss, come out and talk to us.
I don't need to. I wasn't involved. I was already out of there, so I had nothing to do with any of it.
Well, I want to talk to you anyway.
Okay. Well, you can call my lawyer if you'd like to. I literally just went to a bar and now I'm in my Uber. I ordered my Uber. Why do you need to talk to me?
Some other things may have occurred in between.
Can you tell me what those things were? And what my name is?
Well, I figured you'd tell me.
I don't have anything going on, so no. So long, farewell. I'll need to say goodbye.
Nope.
Oh, is that...
This ain't your car.
It just... Babe.
Sir.
Are you serious? This is like well against our rights.
Sir, I'm
Do you
trying to
really-
conduct an investigation. Would you
Bro,
would you like her to leave your car now?
I'll cancel the ride if I don't know if you conduct an investigation.
I mean, I work with Pharrell Williams. Good luck.
I already know how this goes. I was in MP.
I mean, I don't want to
Okay.
fuck up this guy's life, but like, I don't have anything
Come on.
else going on.
You're gonna have to get another Uber.
Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. Right now, he's working on probable cause. You have to conduct a quick investigation to see what's going on for the area. So you gotta
Okay,
do
fine, whatever.
Thank you.
But
technically, you do have to cooperate.
I'm sorry about your fare, man.
Hey, babe.
Come on over here, dude.
I mean, I'm not doing anything illegal. It's legal for me to drink in the United States of America. I didn't do anything at all. Literally, just ordered an Uber. Can you reimburse me? Can I get reimbursed for my Uber? What are the... No, wait. I have every right to get my Uber. I have no... Like, I can go. I didn't do anything, so long, Pearl. I'll be just then. No, you have no right.
You're
You
trespassing
can
in this vehicle.
Am I trespassing in your vehicle?
I'm out.
You're trespassing in this vehicle. Get out.
Yes, listen.
Oh my god, I'm so glad I'm recording right now. And I'm on a Netflix show with Pharrell Williams, and y'all don't even know the drama that has gone on.
The woman's friend advised her to cooperate with the police, but it seems she refused to listen.
Okay, Jack. I'm not doing anything wrong. Okay, what's that? Get quiet.
We're not trying to make it worse.
I just don't trust. I'm looking out for myself here, and I'm respecting myself, which is that's my right as an American.
Okay.
Which I'm sure you guys understand.
Get to those sidewalks.
You know? Do you understand?
I just don't want you to make it worse than it has to be.
There's no. I'm not making it worse. These are my. I'm listening to myself, and I know my rights. Just so you guys are aware, I understand.
Automatically means you
I
don't.
understand, and I know my rights, and I know you guys know that I know and understand my rights. And I'm glad that they feel however way they feel. But
I do.
You guys know that I do know. I'm going to listen. And honestly, he's going to lose his job. But he did himself a disservice.
The Uber guy's gonna lose his job?
I just know you're used to dealing with the shit, so just
That's
go
fine.
with
We're trying. We're trying.
I'm sorry, did you
Just
know
stop.
for sure? All right, shut the fuck up!
Megan, just stop!
Shut up!
What is wrong with you?
Shut up!
Breaking the law.
Okay, you're pissing me off. I'm trying to fucking talk to you.
I know this is pissing you
Just
off.
Hey, hold on.
Just stop.
After multiple warnings, the woman still refused to listen, forcing the officer to place her under arrest.
Right now, we are investigating something. You are not free to leave. If you
right.
do walk off,
Stop.
let's just listen, okay?
Okay.
If you walk off and you don't listen to us,
They're
you
gonna
will go
arrest
to jail.
you. Why? Because
You-
you're walking
you are
off.
not
There's
free
an
to
open
leave.
investigation.
Why? Because we are investigating a
What
crime.
are you investigating? What crime?
I've already explained this to you.
No,
If you don't
actually you
stop,
haven't.
and you're not from here, let me explain.
I'm from
Shut
the
up! Stop!
Hey!
Stop
Whoa!
it! Stop it!
You have no right to
Megan, stop! Stop, Megan, just stop!
Go for it. Go
Megan, you're not paying attention.
It's okay.
You're being ADHD. You're
No.
letting your disability
No one has read me my Miranda rights. This is against the law.
They did tell you.
No.
Keep talking.
No, Allison.
Man, we're not asking you.
Allison.
We're not asking you any
Miranda
questions
rights have
about
not been
anything,
read
so
to
we don't
you.
need to read your Miranda because you're not.
Actually, no, Miranda rights are written to me all the
You're going to
time.
jail.
I'm on a Netflix show with Pharrell Williams, and his cousin was just murdered. Oh my God. What
All
did
you
I
had to
do?
admit, ma'am,
What law have I broken? What law have I
Right now-
broken?
right
What
now-
law did I break? How did I
Ma'am,
break?
stop resisting.
What did I do? I'm not
okay?
resisting.
You need to chill is what you need to do.
Oh my God. Wow.
You just talk like you're talking yourself into going to jail, which you don't have to. I've explained this to you several times.
Don't
Get
drop
up.
on the ground. Get
Get
up.
up.
You stand up. Stop.
Stop being such a drama
You're
queen.
awake. Stop. Just get up.
Stand
yeah,
up.
I know. I'm perfectly
Get
sober.
up. Just stop, dude.
I'm not asking.
Your friends are even telling you your friends are speaking. Just stop.
LOL. My friends are
Let's
terrified.
go.
That's why your friends are
They're
yelling at
scared of you.
Other
Thank
side.
you guys. It's your fault I
Other
got
side.
arrested because they're.
Come on. Just walk, please. Just walk
on the ground is your fault.
Why are you falling on the ground? Get up.
Read me my rights. Read me my rights. My rights haven't been written.
Get
My rights
up.
haven't- What did I do? What did I do? What
Right
did I
now,
do?
you're under arrest.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? You. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
Are you gonna
What
stand up
did I
like a
do?
woman?
What did I
Or just-
do?
Let her go. Let her go. Let her go.
What did I do? What did I do?
Hey,
Tell me what I
Sarge,
did right now.
dude, she's look at.
What
I mean,
did I
she's.
do right now? Tell
I
me
don't know what
I
you
did.
want us to do with her, but.
What did I do? Tell me
Yeah,
what I
well,
did.
we gotta deal with this
I
now.
wanna
Just
know
stay
what-
over there.
What did I do? What did I do?
You're under arrest.
What did
Yeah,
I
right
do?
now you're under
For
arrest.
What? For what?
Okay, hold on.
For what?
It's called obstruction resisting arrest.
No, but for what? What was I
I've
being
explained
arrested
this to
for?
you 5
No,
times.
you haven't told me what I was arrested for. You haven't read me my rights, my
I
Miranda
don't
rights.
need to read you your rights. I'm not
Yes,
asking
actually,
you
you
any
do.
questions.
It's required for
I'm
you.
not asking you any
Oh my
questions about
God.
any crime.
Why? This is insane, bro.
Stop.
Are you
Stand up.
serious?
Stop being such a drama queen. Stand up.
Hang on. Let's get her covered.
I'm not
Get
being a drama.
You are.
I'm on a Netflix show. I am actually signed to Pharrell Williams' label. Like, what did I do to you guys?
I'm dealing with it.
Why? Why are you guys doing this? Is insane. You guys know how bad you're fucking yourself.
Stop. Don't you bite me.
I didn't bite you.
Don't bite me.
Why are you doing this?
You just tried to bite me.
My dad.
You're getting a sprayed in 2 seconds.
The woman kept screaming and even tried to call for help from her friend.
Trying to get her up.
No, I got. Let me lock this.
Allison, I'm scared. They're trying to kill me. Allison, I can't breathe. Allison, they're grinding me into the ground. Allison, they're trying to kill me. Allison, they're trying to kill me. Allison, I can't breathe. Allison, they're choking me out.
Sit
I
down.
can't breathe. Oh my God, they're gonna. Allison!
Stand up. Just
Allison,
stand
they're
up.
trying to
already.
kill me!
Everybody, hold on.
Allison, they're trying to... Allison! 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 Why?
Relax.
I didn't break...
Relax.
When did I break the law?
Relax.
Tell me when I broke the law.
Relax.
Tell me when I broke the law. Tell me when I broke the law.
I've explained to you.
No, you have not.
Watch this.
You
watch
haven't.
this- watch this hand right
When
here.
did I break
Watch
the
this
law?
hand
I
right here.
still have not heard. When have I broke the law? When did I break the law?
Right now you're being disorderly, so.
No, but that's not the law. The law doesn't say I have to be loyal to you. I make more money than all y'all.
Who cares? What does that matter?
The law.
You
The
think I care about
law.
how much money you make?
No, I know you don't. I know you don't. But do you care about following the law? Do you care about following the law?
When the officers were about to put the woman into the car, she began to resist violently.
Okay.
Allison, they're trying to kill me.
Stop.
Allison, they're trying to kill me. Allison, they're trying to kill me.
Hang on. Put her feet down.
Put her feet down. Your fault.
She's gonna start kicking.
It's your fault.
Stop pinching me.
I'm broken the law. Ah!
Stop.
She's pinching me, Sarge. I can't.
Fight it, don't break it. Dude, I'm not
I
fighting.
didn't fight
Get it
them.
down. Get it down.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Allison, this is because of you guys. Allison.
I heard it from where I was.
The whole time.
Can we sit her up?
I would say that they 100%.
I'm right here. We're helping you up. We're helping you up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3, up. We're doing okay.
Thanks.
We're doing okay, right?
Thanks
okay.
so much.
Look at me. No one's around you but me. Me and Natalia. No one is around you but me, okay? Listen, at the end of the way, you think they're your enemy, they want to help you. They don't want to see you like this. Listen, you can roll your eyes.
I'm sorry, but I'm in extreme pain. And I can't
I
fucking
completely
breathe.
understand.
And I'm about to die, so
here's
my circulation is cut off.
Who's here with you?
Wow,
Who's
everything
here with
I've
you?
ever thought
I'm
is
with you here.
more solidified than ever.
I'm with you.
The woman was charged with multiple counts of battery on law enforcement, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. These offenses are considered serious and can result in significant penalties, including imprisonment, heavy fines, and a permanent criminal record. Depending on the severity of the charges, she could face additional penalties such as probation or mandatory counseling. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. If I were Allison, I'd be reevaluating my friendships. The girl that delivered the coffee on a Netflix set saw Pharrell Williams once 100 mem away and tells all her friends she works with him. The Uber driver wanted to stay for that drama. The lesson is that resisting law enforcement can lead to serious consequences. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
Like it's only gonna hurt. Sit down.
You know who was right.
On March 2nd, 2024, Davenport police responded to a complaint from a convenience store about a woman who was intoxicated and refused to leave after being warned multiple times.
No, I can't sit.
On March 2nd, 2024, officers with the Davenport Police Department responded to a call from a convenience store stating that the woman was intoxicated and would not leave their store after being told to leave multiple times. The woman claimed that she gave the cashier $20 for $16 worth of merchandise and never got her change.
You know what I'm saying?
What's this?
This is the $2 I had in my car.
Okay.
How you using my change?
So what was it?
That don't even matter. That's
All right.
simple.
Give me a second. Let him talk.
No,
I heard you out.
bogus,
That's fine, but let him be bogus.
No,
I heard your side.
That's bogus,
So now you
bro.
let him talk.
Now, I ain't pulling out more money.
Hey, let me talk to him real quick.
That's petty.
Okay, let it be petty. Let me talk to him. Why don't you tell them your side of it, okay?
No, that's petty.
You want to step over here and talk?
No, I don't got no car.
No, I just want to go over here and talk, ma'am. What's your name?
Miss West.
Miss West? What's your first?
Yes.
What's your first name?
Miss.
M-I-S? M-I-S-S?
And I'm giving you my money.
What? No. I need you.
No, listen.
Okay. What's going on tonight?
You don't have any. Okay.
We'll pull up the video.
I only got $2.
Right. Well, there was other
I gave him 20.
Do you have an ID on you?
Nope.
You have no ID?
Nope.
What about in your wallet?
Nope.
No?
The woman refused to provide information, and the officers informed her that non-compliance would constitute obstruction of official duties.
Curtis, spell her name.
Now you might need some skills. But that's true.
Okay, spell your
For
name for
him
me.
not to say that, Nicole. Nikki.
Nicole?
Nikki.
Nikki? Nicole?
Nikki called me.
Last name Smith?
Yeah.
Date of birth?
I just trying to get what I paid for.
Ma'am, your
I
date of
really
birth,
just
please.
gave this man my money.
Okay, we'll talk about it later. I need your date of birth right now.
Now?
Yes, please. Do you have an ID in that purse? Make this a lot simpler.
Just gave this man my money.
Ask her for
Did you hear what I'm saying?
Can I
I
get a
just
date of
gave
birth?
this man $20 of my money.
Pull up the camera, so we'll check it out.
That,
give him
I always make it don't matter.
Okay, Nicole, I need your date of birth.
Nikki. I said Nikki.
Nikki, okay.
Nikki.
I need
my
your
name tonight.
Ma'am, do you have an ID?
Man, look out here. Watch out.
Refusing to
Y'all
provide
ass
you
playing
her
with me.
birthday.
This man just took
We've
my
got different
money.
names.
And don't
At
want
this
that's
point,
crazy. That's
what
my
can we do?
whole
Interference with official acts.
middle
Hey,
first.
if you don't give me an ID right now, I'm going to charge you with the interference with official acts. Do you have an ID? So we can make
You
this
gonna
easier?
tell me what?
With interference with official acts. You're not giving me your name or your date of birth. You keep telling me different names.
I'm gonna charge you with what? When this man just took my money?
No, interference with official acts. You are not providing me the
This man
information.
for my product, and I didn't get it.
After multiple warnings, the woman continued arguing with the officer, forcing them to place her under arrest.
You gonna charge me with what?
You're under arrest for interference with official acts. And I believe that
No,
you're
no, no.
intoxicated. Yes.
No.
Yes. Turn around. Hey, stop. Steve behind your back.
One of you get your Christmas. Y'all see how they do it? Thank you. It'll be comfortable. I can get out. But it just makes sense. Because they bogus too.
This would make sense if you were so right.
It'll make sense. I'm not even driving right now.
Then that's the driving.
It don't matter, but
That's the problem.
I'm grown.
I know.
Let me get my property.
I agree.
No, get my property. Yep, put my phone in there and make sure I pay for my property.
What did you?
I just bought that. Okay. You see what I'm saying? That's crazy. How I'm buying something
Did she buy
and
anything?
I'm going to jail. I
Did she
did.
buy anything? Did she steal anything?
Nothing. So why would you even hear that? That's disrespectful, ain't it? Nothing. Nothing.
The woman was taken outside, and the officers began conducting a search on her.
Yes,
Don't fool me, bro. I swear to God.
Then
don't.
walk out the
Let
door.
Let my arm go.
We have to go
I swear to
outside.
God.
Let's
Let
go.
my arm go.
Let's
Let
go.
You gotta walk out here in the car. Come on.
You gotta make it sense.
We're making
No.
perfect sense. You gotta walk with us.
Hey, bogus, I paid for this shit. They took my money.
Come on, this
Y'all
way.
look- No.
This way.
No.
Let's go.
Officer.
We're gonna walk over to the car. Okay?
And you still gotta explain to me, bro.
We will once we get to the car.
I ain't doing nothing. Y'all can let me out. That's the eyeball.
Watch your step here.
No.
Watch your step.
No,
Watch your step. Let's go. Step down.
Step down.
No.
Step on down.
It still makes sense, right? You don't get no bread in this, right? Right?
Keep going. Nope. What do we got to do?
Got anything on you? Since Sig Poker hurt me?
No. Come on, ladies.
Face the numbers for us.
I done paid my money.
Hey.
My money.
Spread your feet for me. Spread your feet.
Well, then I don't think we need a copy of the video with all the pin.
Yes, bro. They took my whole $20,
Oh,
yo.
your $20 is in your purse, man.
No,
They
it's
didn't
not.
take any of your cash.
Exactly, but I just paid.
It's
And I
all there.
want to leave, and I was
You're getting all
Hey.
your money.
Car.
Just listen. You're getting all your money to come with you. We need to face the car.
No, that's wrong.
Right here.
No. Just talk to me.
We're talking.
Officer, we
We're
are
talking.
grown
Yes, talk.
people. Where you don't need to do that shit, because I got
You need
kids.
to face the car.
No, talk to me.
We're talking. We are.
Don't hold my arm.
He's doing his job. What do you want to talk about?
No.
What do you want to talk about?
Don't hold my arm.
What do you want to
That's all
talk
I want him to talk about.
Well, he's got to hold your arm.
Because I'm
That's what he's
telling
supposed
you,
to
I don't want to have nothing happen to him, because I allow people that love people. At least it makes sense.
do. Okay.
I paid my way.
Right.
I paid for money.
Right.
How you gonna take my money?
They didn't take your money. Your money is in your purse.
I swiped
I
my
watched it on
card. Exactly. So why am I even got trust on me? If I paid the money.
Public intoxication.
I'm not public.
You're very
I ain't
much
hurt
public.
nobody. Verbally, I'm not in a car. None of that. That's disrespectful to my rights too.
I disagree.
Yeah,
You're out here
I
intoxicated. You're causing problems in the store.
It's pretty late for me.
As the officers attempted to place the woman in the vehicle, she began to resist aggressively.
You walk into jail with comes a felony. Is there anything on you?
We don't
Disrespectful,
want
right?
you to get in trouble in the jail.
Look at me. If you give it to me now, it's less trouble than in
Look,
jail.
I'm telling you, when you leave,
Yeah.
trying to go home to your kids.
Okay, let's go. Get in the squad.
Grab a seat.
Come on.
You can threaten me when you're in the car. Sit down.
Let's go.
I'm bummed.
You know what's to put you in the car, right?
You know.
Like it's only going to hurt. Sit down.
You know for what's right. I'ma sit up now, and I'ma sit for what's right.
This is stupid. Is what this is.
Now, for what's right.
Get your feet in the car. Pull on more.
Do not kiss. Please don't touch my arm.
Put your leg down.
Now, yo, dumb ass. Bitch, go get a shave. Yo, ass, you ain't got no. She says two.
Bring your foot in the car.
Now, his ass mad.
There you go.
I'm mad because I paid my money. Y'all see that? Do you see what I just did? Exactly.
Yep.
Although she was already inside the police vehicle, the woman continued arguing with the officer.
Oh, you're good.
Hey.
He took my money.
Tamika.
He didn't want to give me my change.
Tamika.
Officer.
Tamika.
Wrong one.
Listen.
No, that's
Hey.
wrong.
Hey, I believe that you
Y'all
are.
still doing me like this.
Tamika, I need you to listen.
Wrong.
Hey, Tamika,
It's okay.
calm
It's
down.
okay. No.
I need you to listen to me.
No.
I believe you to be public.
No.
I believe you to be
I'm not
drunk in public.
I'm not.
Would you like
I'm
to
not
submit
even- I want to
to a?
talk with y'all.
Hey, listen, calm
Come
down.
on now.
Calm
I
down.
don't want to talk to nobody but
Okay.
you.
Would you like?
Officer.
What would you like?
I was not talking to nobody
Okay, no. Hey, that's not it.
but you.
Okay, listen.
No.
I
No
believe
matter if I
that
gotta
you are
walk,
intoxicated
you
right
have to
now
walk
and you're in
Y'all
public.
have to walk on that shit
Would you
bogus.
like to?
No, I don't like nobody doing me like that. That shit bogus.
Hey, I believe that you're
Come on,
intoxicated. Hey,
No.
I need you to
No.
say yes or no to
I
this.
did not. Never.
Would you like
Never.
to blow into a
I would
preliminary
never
breath
hurt
test?
nobody.
I'm not asking that.
I will never
Okay.
hurt nobody.
Not happening.
The woman was charged with public intoxication and interference with official acts. These offenses are considered misdemeanors and may result in penalties such as fines up to $500, possible jail time of up to 30 days, or both. Depending on prior offenses, she could also face probation or mandatory counseling. This is indeed a chaotic situation, isn't it? Let's examine what viewers have commented on after the video was circulated. They never have an ID. I could never be a cop. I simply don't have the patience for it. Something tells me this isn't her first trip to that store today. This case shows the importance of cooperating with law enforcement. The woman's refusal to follow instructions and resist arrest led to criminal charges. This Karen is already a mess, so what about the next one? Let's keep watching.
What I want you to do now is go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. So what's going on right now is you're getting placed under arrest for drunk.
Officer Jasmine Wright of the Tampa Police Department arrived at Dick's Sporting Goods, situated at 258 West Shore Plaza, on August 6, 2023, to look into a car accident.
Baby, come out of the car, but I'm the one that was driving.
You were driving?
I was, yes, sir.
Huh. So what happened then, brother?
She came up way too quick on this shit, bro. Like, she fucking stopped us, and like, that's it, bro. I'm sorry to tell you.
Whose car is it?
It's her car.
Why are you driving?
Because she's my girlfriend.
Okay. So what happened after the crash?
I asked them if they can pull over politely, and if I could pay for it. I'm sorry, yeah.
Okay.
To be real. That's exactly what I did. I'm sorry. If you need to get me, it's okay. I'm sorry. Like, get me. I guess I have to figure this out right now.
Let me ask you this, brother. How tall are you?
6 foot.
6 foot. How tall are you, ma'am?
5'2".
5'2". Okay. Let me ask you a question. Why is the front seat basically touching the steering wheel if you were driving?
Because
airbags came out.
No, I told her to not change her fucking seats at all. I told her, I was like, cool.
Okay, cool. That doesn't make any sense. Go stand over there.
No, it does, brother.
Go stand over there.
It does, because I told her.
Go stand
to
over
not.
there. I'm done talking to you. Go stand over here.
The officer questioned the woman and then proceeded to read her rights.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm sad.
You're sad?
Yeah.
Well, I can understand being sad.
Yeah.
Did you hit your head or anything like that?
I'm fine.
Okay. Do you have any kind of medical issues or anything like that? Did you lose consciousness or anything like
know.
that?
Shut up!
You're bipolar.
Stop! It doesn't matter. That shit doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm fine. No, nothing. Nothing. I didn't hit my head. I didn't do nothing.
Okay. Well, my name's Officer Baden. Whenever I come out to do DUI investigations.
It's fine.
So I'd like to talk to you, kind of figure out from your perspective what's going on.
It's fine.
In order to do that, I'm going to read you your rights real quick. You're not under arrest or anything like that. This is just so we can follow the same.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay?
No, that is
All right. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney before you make a statement or answer any question, and the right to have an attorney present during questioning. If you want an attorney but cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before and during questioning, free of charge. You may use any of these rights at any time before or during questioning, and you may use any of these rights before and you may use any of these rights at any time before or during questioning, and you may stop the interview at any time. Okay, do you understand these rights?
I'm talking right now because you already lied to me. So sit the car.
Are you willing to answer questions or make a statement without an attorney being present?
Yeah.
Is that a yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Has anybody threatened you, coerced you, or promised you anything to cause you to answer questions or make a statement? Okay. What happened?
I don't know. He was driving.
He was driving. Why is the front seat all the way touching the steering wheel? And you're 5'2" and he's 6 foot.
I don't know.
I was driving because I'm a fucking idiot.
Yeah, I know.
I told her not to drive. I'm an idiot.
You know what's crazy is cameras don't lie.
That's fine. We can look at the cameras.
I already did. That's why I'm asking to give y'all one last chance.
And
to be
I
honest.
didn't fucking jump in front of her.
Here, come over this way for me.
Suspecting that Angelique might be impaired, he requested her to complete several field sobriety tests.
All those at the same time?
At the same time.
Okay.
Like I have a prescription bottle.
Okay,
if you really
fair enough.
wanna see it.
Fair enough. Have you taken all those today?
Yes.
Okay. What time do you take them?
I usually take them at night, but I took them probably at like 6. Because I like take my meds at 6 p.m.
So you take them at 6 every night?
Yeah.
Is that kind of like your normal routine?
Yeah, that's what I like to do.
Okay. All right, well, let me ask you this. How much have you had to drink tonight?
I had 2 drinks.
2 drinks?
You can baptize me, you can do whatever.
Okay.
I'm just...
Well, can I check your eyes as part of field sobriety to make sure that you're okay to be driving?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell you, what's your name?
Angelique.
Angelique?
During the hang test, Officer Baden saw jerky eye movements, including early onset and sustained nystagmus.
Angelique, stand right here with my flashlight for me. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear contacts.
Do you have them in right now?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, put your feet together for me. Okay. Can you put your feet all the way together? There you go. Hands down by your side. Can you see my light?
Like together?
But see how my feet are touching? Can you
Yeah.
get your feet to touch?
Side.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right. Can you see my light? What color is my light?
It's red.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this red light from side to side. What I want you to do is focus on this red light, follow it with your eyes and your eyes only without moving your head. Okay? Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
In the walk and turn test, Angelique missed heel to toe steps, turned incorrectly, and took the wrong number of steps.
Hang on.
Shoot.
So every time you... Here, take a step back. Take a step back. So every time you step, you're going to touch heel to toe. Okay, so this is 0. The first time you go is going to be 1. Okay?
1. Like that?
Nope, so right now this is 0. Your right foot in front is going to be 0.
Okay.
Okay?
Now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How do you want me to do it?
Just like I showed you and just like I explained to you. Okay, you can relax.
The last test was the one-leg stand, during which Angelique failed to lift her foot properly and put it down early.
I want you to look down at your toe and then count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so forth, so on until I tell you to stop. Now, if for whatever reason you put your foot down, just pick it right back up and continue where you left off. Okay, do you have any questions?
I don't think so.
Okay, do you understand the instructions?
I think so.
All right, you can go ahead and begin.
So you said 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. I don't know what I'm supposed to
I want
stop.
you to keep going until I tell you to stop.
1006, 1007, 1008, 2009.
Due to the crash, signs of impairment, and poor performance on sobriety tests, Officer Baden arrested Angelique for DUI.
Relax. All right. So feet together for me. Hands on by your side. All right. What I want you to do now is go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. So what's going on right now is you're getting placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay. We get down to booking. I'm going to ask that you submit to a breath sample that's going to measure the amount of alcohol that you have in your system. Now, if you don't, there'll be some penalties that'll go along with that. Namely, your license would get suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your license is previously suspended for prior refusal. Okay. Will you provide a breath sample for me tonight, Angelique?
Can I put my shoes back on?
Do you have any other shoes in the car besides the high heels? All right, I'll take them with you, but it's going to be easier.
Can I put them back on?
It's going to be easier if you just walk barefoot right now. Here, will you start your right foot? Right, do you have anything in the car that you want to take with you, like a wallet or a cell phone or anything like that? What kind of phone is it?
The iPhone 14.
Is it a specific color? Black? Does it have a case on it?
No, it doesn't.
No?
No, it has like a mirror case on it.
Okay. Yeah, I'll see if I can grab it. Do you have a purse or a wallet or anything like that?
No, that's my purse.
Yeah, so you have like credit cards in the thing? Okay. I can't get it. I got it unclipped, but...
Can't get it all. Oh, I think
I don't do jewelry though.
I think I got it.
Here, open your mouth. Put your tongue up to your roof. Tongue up. Okay. Grab a seat. Okay. Hey, hang on just a second. Let me get her stuff first.
Angelique was charged with driving under the influence, DUI, under Florida Statute 316.193, after recording a back nearly 3 times the legal limit. For a first-time offense, she may face up to 6 months in jail, fines up to $1,000, license suspension, and mandatory DUI education. Additional penalties could apply due to the high back level. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. Supporting a loved one through mistakes is noble, but accountability matters both for safety and growth. Let's hope this leads to positive change. That's my girl bro. Big wig, little brain. Driving under the influence can lead to serious legal consequences, especially when impairment is clearly evident. What an unyielding Karen. The next Karen will react much more violently, so keep an eye out.
This car. Hand back.
Police officers from Las Cruces responded to a traffic collision on January 3, 2025. Witnesses claim that the 37-year-old driver of a Mercedes sub struck a semi-truck after running a red light.
Are you the driver? This one? Do you have your license, registration, insurance? Do you need me to get a tow truck for you here?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Was your guys' vehicle drivable? Or you guys are all together? Okay, I'll look right now.
Okay.
Here you go.
Do you know who's you hit or who hit? Is it the 18-wheeler?
Yeah.
18-wheeler?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
So, what happened?
I got in a crash. I wasn't paying attention. I apologize.
Okay. How'd you get in a crash though?
I just wasn't paying attention. I apologize.
Where were you coming from?
Coming this way, coming that way.
Coming from which way?
Officers noticed that the woman's eyes were bloodshot, her speech was slurred, and there was a strong smell of alcohol coming from the Mercedes.
Okay. So, another thing is I smell alcohol from in here. How much have you had to drink today? None? Your eyes are also extremely dilated.
I've always had huge ridiculous.
Okay. Alright, so you haven't had nothing to drink today? So what was with the tap on your...
This I always have on my laptop on. I work from home. So.
Okay. Do me a favor, go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. Say again?
Do I need to?
Yes, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle.
I have to.
Yes, ma'am. It's not a request. I'm telling you to step outside the vehicle.
But is it? I need to.
Yes.
Oh.
But either voluntarily or I take you out. So, I'm going to be honest. You're already showing multiple signs of intoxication. I already smell it. You drop it all over the floor. You have a bottle. I'm assuming that might be in itself. I'm not 100% sure, but you have it. I can smell it pretty intensely. So, step outside of the vehicle for me. Plus, your vehicle's crashed. What are you going to do?
All right.
Okay. Step outside of the vehicle.
I don't have to. Really, I don't have to.
You don't have to? I'm telling you, you do. I have reasonable suspicion to believe that you're under the influence while driving. Again, your eyes, your pupils are extremely huge. You just gave me a basic explanation. I can smell alcohol. There's alcohol on the floor as of right now. So let's just make it easy, please. Just step outside of the vehicle. You're not going to step out. Okay. Is there any reason why?
Because I don't legally have to.
You don't legally have to. Okay. So I'm letting you know now, you do. I don't want to also charge you with resisting. As well as I don't want to drag you outside of this vehicle. Okay? So cooperate with me and step outside of the vehicle, man.
She declined multiple requests to get out of the car, prompting Officer Rodriguez to reach in and pull her out.
Right now, I have enough to go ahead and believe that you are under the influence, okay? So that's my probable cause to believe. Now, what I would like to go ahead and do is just make this as simple as possible, which is continue my investigation for you drinking while driving itself, okay? So there's a couple of tests I would like to go ahead and do. Would you be willing to go ahead and do those tests for me? No. Okay. So you're under arrest for driving while intoxicated. So step outside of the vehicle. I'm letting you know now right now. You're under arrest, okay? So step out because I don't want to have to drag you out. Please don't make me drag you out. I'm asking nicely. I will drag you out though. Let's step outside of the vehicle. I'm asking you really nicely. Please don't make me drag you outside of your vehicle.
But I have other options.
What are your other options?
To not do that.
Okay, ma'am. I'm asking you very nicely.
But I
I've
have
given
other
you
options.
further... Okay, ma'am. Step outside the vehicle. Step out. This car. Can I have hand back?
Really?
Yes, ma'am. I gave you plenty of options to step out.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
Turn around. Keep it up this way. Yeah.
Can we talk about this? Can we do it the other way?
It's because she has all these bracelets on. Do these come off easily?
No.
They don't?
Loud to essential female 15. Let's go ahead and step over here to my vehicle. Is there anything inside the vehicle that I need to take? Your phone?
No.
Can I have a female 15? No? Your phone? Okay. Go ahead and face the vehicle for me.
Why can't we talk about this?
Face the vehicle. What's your face?
I understand what you're saying.
Say again?
I understand what you're saying.
You don't understand what I'm
I
saying?
understand what you're saying, but
Okay.
can you just...
You don't have nothing that's gonna poke me, stick me, injure me? No? Alright. Then,
All your jewelry, can we take it off so that we don't have to go to the detention center?
you're not loose enough? Alright, so there's a little blood on you, so I'm still gonna get medical just to come take a look at you, okay? It's on your finger. I don't think you can see it, so I'm telling you. It's a little injuries, so go ahead and step inside and I'm gonna have my medical team. We passed that out.
Okay.
Like I said, I asked you very nicely. I didn't want to drag you out of your vehicle and all that. Please sit down.
I'm not.
You are right. I can smell it on you. Have a seat. Again, ma'am, I'm being very respectful. Put your other foot in.
I know, but really...
Put your other foot in. Thank you.
Due to her refusal to complete the field sobriety tests, she was promptly handcuffed and taken into custody for driving while intoxicated.
Alright, so I'm gonna read you something, okay? So this one I'm about to tell you something. You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated. So in the New Mexico implied consent requires you to submit to a breath test to determine the alcohol content of your blood. After you take our test, you have the right to choose an additional independent test. If you choose to take this additional independent test, you have the right to a reasonable opportunity to arrange for a physician, licensed nurse, or a technologist who is employed by a hospital physician of your own choice to perform additional chemical tests. The cost of the additional test will be paid by law enforcement agency. Do you agree to take our test? No? Okay. So I cannot force you to take our test, but if you refuse, you will lose your New Mexico driver's license, operating privileges for 1 year. If you are convicted in court of driving under the influence, you may also receive a greater sentence because you refuse to take the test. Okay? Do you understand? So do you still refuse to take the test? Okay. Do you know where your insurance is for the crash report?
It should be right in the front right corner.
Like the glove?
Driver's, yeah, glove compartment.
Do you know what company it's with?
It should be through, I'll say if I could get my, no, it's not. It's,
Okay. Your phone, where's your phone? Do you want to take your phone?
It's not there. It's not in there.
So you don't have a phone at all? Okay. Do you need me to take anything else? Because the keys are going to stay with the vehicle, everything's going to stay with the vehicle, it's going to be towed. That's why I'm asking for your phone.
That's what I'm looking for, like the garage thing is, no, I think we're okay.
Okay. Alright.
Actually, there's a bag in the back, so I'm a speech pathologist. I work with a senior citizen home.
Okay.
That has my iPad for work tomorrow.
Okay.
So if you can grab that, it's a white and blue one.
So you can't take that into the detention center. Today's Friday. I would have to enter into evidence. The only thing I can take is like a phone, an ID, phone numbers if you need to call people for your phone call. Because if I enter it in, you're not going to get it until Monday. That's why.
She was first taken to the emergency room for medical evaluation before being transported to the Dona Ana County Detention Center.
No, you don't like me, but I do.
No.
I work with, guess what I do?
I don't know. You'll have to tell me. The medical field? You a nurse or a doctor or?
I work with patients that have had strokes.
Okay.
You guys have parking too, TRST?
I have no idea. I'm not familiar with the medical field. Somewhat, kind of. Just wait right here. Let me find you a chair.
There's two right here if you want to grab one of them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's okay. You can take a seat. They have to get your vitals and everything, and it's gonna be on their time, so you can come sit over here or stand, whatever you want.
Miss Trainer, my name is John Crawford. I'm a nurse practitioner. What happened to you?
The woman faced charges of aggravated DWI, running a red light, and failure to exercise due care. These offenses could result in fines, jail time, license suspension, and required DUI education. If convicted, she may also receive probation and a lasting criminal record. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. This was the nicest, most polite officer. He never lost his patience with this spoiled drunk girl. She's not fooling anyone with that horse hair. Perhaps her "I'm a hot chick" jetty mind tricks don't work, because she's not a hot chick. Driving under the influence not only endangers lives but also carries serious legal consequences. Refusing to comply with officers or sobriety tests can worsen the situation. Do you believe this Karen was overreacting? After you see the next case, you may want to think twice. It's shocking.
Ma'am, you need to relax. He's not going to back off.
On January 22nd, 2025, around 11:34 p.m., a CVS employee, 59 Washington Street, flagged down Offagilan Archula of the Hoboken Police Department to report a recent theft by a woman at the store.
Did you pay for that stuff?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, let me see the receipt.
Sir, you cannot.
Let me see the receipt. Yes, I can. I can do anything. Let me see the receipt. You're on camera, by the way. Let me see the receipt.
You're on camera too.
Let me see the receipt.
You're on camera too.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, you're on camera.
Let me
Right? Fucking now, you're on camera.
see. Turn around. I'm gonna have one in custody. Go. Let go. Let go.
As the police tried to handcuff the woman, she began to resist and scream loudly.
Drop the bags. Give me your hand. Hey!
You're breaking my hand! You're breaking my hand! You're breaking my hand!
Relax. Give me your hand.
You're breaking my hand!
No, I'm not breaking your hand.
You're breaking my hand! You're breaking my hand!
Give me your hand.
I'm not going without my shoes.
We're on the ground.
I'm not going without my shoes. I'm not going. That's my right.
Listen, just give me your hand. Let me handcuff you, and then we'll stand up.
Okay. Can I get my cigarette? You are too rough! Too rough! Too rough! Too rough!
Give me your hand. All right. Everybody relax. Everybody relax.
More officers arrived soon after, and Inna spat on them while they were trying to restrain her.
Push her. Yes. Stand her up.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off!
Let's go.
Get off! He fucking touched my nipples! He touched my nipples! He touched my nipples! He touched my nipples! This fucking guy right here touched my nipples!
Ma'am, just face forward, okay? You're okay. You're okay. We're gonna try to help you, okay?
I'm not going without my shoes and my bag.
Okay, then that's fine.
I'm not going without my
And that's
bag and my
perfect.
shoes.
Of course not. We would
Let's
never
get her
let you.
against my car.
Hold on. Let me just grab her shoes. There you go. Here, put your shoes on.
He touched my nipples.
Okay.
This guy right here touched my
Come on,
nipples
ma'am.
and he broke my leg.
Okay.
My arm.
Okay.
He almost broke my arm.
Okay.
Almost broke my arm. Almost.
All right. We're gonna try to walk you over here, okay? You're okay.
My stuff.
We're gonna
my
grab.
stuff.
We're gonna grab all your stuff.
My
okay?
stuff. No.
Listen.
Grab
We're gonna
my
grab all
stuff.
your stuff. Okay. So I'm gonna have you right here. I'm gonna search you, okay?
After Inna was restrained, Officer Cynthia Rivera carried out a search at the scene before escorting her into the patrol car.
You need to relax. He's not gonna back off because he is my help, okay? He's not gonna back off.
Back off! Back off! Back off from me! Back off!
All right, he's away. He's away. Okay.
He touched my nipples! He touched my nipples!
Open this, please.
It's all my stuff. It's not from the CVS.
Okay, that's okay.
It's all my stuff.
That's okay. I still have to search
This
you, okay?
guy almost broke my tooth. He almost broke my tooth too.
So everything is.
Oh.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
He
Don't
broke
do
my
that.
tooth. It's $50,000 for this teeth.
No, she tried to spit on Dylan.
It could have landed on you.
Film this video. Film this.
Here, put this
Record
on.
this.
We're all filming.
I'm gonna need whoever has the bag to just stand right here. You guys don't have to keep moving up, please.
All of our cameras are on.
All the cameras on.
All right, this I'm gonna have to.
You're on camera too, sir. You and your wife is gonna know everything you did last night. Okay? Got it?
Just
let me hear you.
One of
You
guys,
say
just
you
come
got
here.
it.
Help him hold him just so I can uncuff her so I can take this off.
Use your arm to prevent her from facing us.
Gotcha.
Breaking my fucking arm. You breaking my you breaking my.
Stop turning around.
I'm gonna scream.
Do not scream.
Please back off. You have
no.
putting too much pressure.
Then stop trying to turn around. Face the car.
Yeah, I can't see. There you go.
Face the car. Put your eyeballs directly facing the car.
Listen to me, you.
No,
What's your name?
You listen to me.
What's your name?
Gonzalez.
Okay,
Look at
Gonzalez.
the car.
She's pushing too hard with the chain. Too hard.
We're trying to get your purse out the cuffs, all right?
Okay.
Okay, there we go. You guys got her? You gonna search her?
I'm not going to the police.
Yes, you are.
Until I search all my stuff and confirm it's not from the CVS, I'm not going to the police.
Okay.
This guy right there, this fucking guy, tried to break my teeth. It's $50,000 for the teeth!
Okay, we can put her in now.
Okay. Can you walk it? Right here.
Just back up, ma'am. There you go. Before you go in?
No, man.
Okay. You can sit. Nice and easy. Watch your head.
I'm not going. I'm not going.
You are going. So put your legs in. And we're not doing that, okay?
After securing Inna in the car, officers spoke with CVS staff, who revealed that she had stolen from the store multiple times.
When they were calling me, they had called me to go into HQ. And so I was in headquarters. And somebody was like, "Are you 103?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And they're like, "They're calling you." And I was like, "I'm here. Like, what are they calling me for?" So I go in. She's like, "Oh, you got to back up Dylan." I was like, "What?" I was like, "Okay." Who was it?
The other kids came up to me. There's two items. No, we got those two from her. These two.
Okay. Where did she have that? Like she just grabbed it and then she was walking out, or?
The thing is, my store manager trying to ban her from the store because she always comes to do the same thing.
Okay.
But today there were two transit officers, but they left.
That was before. Yeah.
Because she was trying to. Yeah.
Okay.
She was trying to pay, but she only put 6 cents, and I was sorry. Okay, give me the product so you can leave. And she was like, "No, you're not, and you can't check my bag. So call the officers."
Okay. And then that's when you guys called us, and then that's when everything else ensued?
Yeah.
Okay. But, so those two things were the two things that she was attempting to purchase with 6 cents?
No, it
No,
was,
those
it
are
was
in
a
this
total of
bag.
5 products. She took three on the bag.
3 were in her bag, you said? Which, like, what was the... Do you have a camera footage of it or anything by any chance? That way we could see what exact bag?
Yeah. It was a CVS bag.
Okay. If you can pull up the camera, that would be good. At least we can get it on our body camera.
She had a bag with the prescription on her head when I stopped her.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Salty. I turned around and I was like, thanks. Ending my night
You didn't even come
pleasantly.
here for that. That's
right.
You came for something else.
Who has access to the cameras? Okay.
Officers Arturo Gonzalez and Cynthia Rivera took Inna to the Hoboken Police Department for processing.
2-6, me and my guys are going to stand by at CVS. Dylan has to call up and start a UOS.
She's already going to get the official.
It was not. I do not appreciate that. I do not.
Where's the knowledge? Oh.
There it is. Transporting one female 1025 and vehicle 102, starting mileage 3102.2.
297. I'm doing that with him.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
Oh, these lights. Why does he drive so far like this?
Whose car is this?
This is Dylan's.
Oh.
222 on North and 103.
This Karen faced multiple charges including shoplifting, resisting arrest, and throwing bodily fluids at an officer. These offenses could result in fines, jail time, and possible probation. If convicted, she may face penalties such as incarceration and mandatory community service, depending on the court's ruling. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. What a specimen. What a nasty piece of work beyond belief, the thing she was demanding. Please don't call someone mom after they spit in your face. This case has shown us that resisting arrest and committing theft can result in serious legal consequences, including fines, jail time, and probation. Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively. On August 27, 2025, the police received a report about a woman who was intoxicated and refusing to leave the beach.
She got let the dog run loose, so we gave her multiple warnings. Put the dog on the leash. It's a little dog. It's like Jason Martin. She also yeah, sure. Yeah. Every time we ask her to leave, she ignores us. You just want to leave and we trespass. Okay. Oh yeah. There's one more now.
Back here, at this property, they know what we do.
Yeah.
That's why there's police here, because they want you off the property.
The officer issued multiple warnings, however. The woman kept insisting that she needed water.
Ma'am, they don't want you back on the property.
Tell them to give me ice.
They don't have to do that, ma'am.
No, I need water.
They don't have to give
Ma'am, please. Ma'am, listen to me.
All you have to do is go somewhere else.
Just tell them to give me water.
They don't have to get arrested water. Keep going. You are... You're not trespassing. You're not allowed here.
If you don't mind,
You are trespassing.
who's the guy with the cute? It's the guy with the cute pompadour. He has a cute pompadour. I'm a barber. It's the guy with the cute pompadour.
You need to vacate this premises. If you come back, you will be arrested.
I just want a water.
Leave the
It's
property.
the guy with a cute
There is a
pompadour.
speedway where you can
It's
get
the guy
water
with a
right
cute
now.
pompadour.
What are you not understanding? Do you want your dog to go to the animal shelter?
No, I just want water.
Okay, then you need to leave.
I just
Because
want
what will
water.
happen
It's
is
the
you're
guy
going to go
there
to
with
jail
the cute-
and your dog is going to go to the shelter. That's what's going to happen.
Water?
Not getting water. Get off the property.
It's
Get off the property so you
that's
don't
so
go to jail.
easy. I can just easily get up.
Yes.
It's a I just want a water.
That's not where we're at.
Right, and it's a gas station.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Right there.
What's your name?
Do you mind?
If we give you a glass of water, will you leave?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Not even a glass of water, but a cup of water from
That's
my.
exactly what you're going to get.
Thank you
Tell
so
me.
much. It's a guy with a
But just
cute haircut.
understand, you're
He has
trespassing.
I'm a barber.
Just understand, you're trespassing.
fantastic.
Not come
Thank you.
back, you will go to jail.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
Instead of remaining calm and leaving the property, the woman is about to escalate things to the point of no return.
Shuddington, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Forget me, and I forget you.
Perfect.
If not, it'll keep going for generations and generations. Because we already know.
Ma'am, you're gonna end up going to jail. Just leave, and then nothing happens.
I'm not gonna go to jail.
Yes, you are.
I'm not
Because
gonna
you're
go to jail.
trespassing.
Because guess what?
You've been
This
trespassing
is not
on the
between
property.
me. This is not between you, and you. It's between me and her. Shuddington.
Just leave.
I just wanted to warn you.
Just
Trying to
leave.
be disrespectful
Leave
to
the
me.
property.
You tried to be you personally.
Stop causing a problem.
You. I'm not causing a problem. Look at me pointing my. Well, my. No, baby. Come on. I'm sorry.
Everyone wants
I'm
to
sorry. I'm sorry.
But you're wrong.
I'm sorry, because I'm yelling right now, so it make it seems like I'm wrong. I literally only wanted a water, and you were disrespectful to me.
You have a water.
You're acting like a Karen.
What's your name, man?
And you know when it comes to Karens, you know how, I'm sorry, stereotypical Karens go? Do you know how stereotypical Karens go?
Listen, I really
I'm
don't
sorry.
want you to have to go
I'm
to
sorry.
jail.
Hold on. Let me come correct. Hold on. Let me come
I'm
correct.
over here. Look.
Hold on. I'm sorry, mommy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Look at your baby.
But let me come correct.
No, you were leaving, honey.
But
Just leave.
stereotypical Karens. Stereotypical Karens.
I got you the water.
Hold on.
Come on.
Stereotypical Karen.
Will you take my
I
arm?
have PTSD. Look at this shit.
Walk away.
Look at this
You're
shit.
gonna go home.
Look at, and I'm gonna go
Stay
home
here, you're gonna
regardless. But stereotypical. You're you, not you, not you.
I'm trying to help you here.
Not you.
You got her name.
You're
Go.
triggering.
I'm
And I'm not
sorry
trying
I'm
to
triggered.
yell at you. But look, I got the.
I'm sorry I've triggered you.
Thank you.
I am not trying to be disrespectful.
Thank you.
I have the wishes of the
Thank
business.
you. Because what is your job? What is your job?
To trespass you at this point.
No, your job is to protect, serve. Protect, serve. Stop it.
The officer gradually lost patience and immediately proceeded to arrest the woman.
You're gonna have to go to jail because you can't leave.
I gotta go to jail because I'm yelling at you?
Because you won't leave.
I'm about to leave.
Then
my
leave.
job is.
No. Then
my
leave.
issue was not with. Hey,
Then
my issue was
leave.
not with you. You or
You're
you.
making it already
It's with
now.
her.
You need to leave.
Just like another in Augusta.
You need to leave.
I'm the rest now because you don't want to leave. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm about to leave.
No.
I'm
now you
about
want
to
go
leave.
past that point.
I'm about to leave.
We're past that.
I'm about to leave.
Nope.
I'm about to leave. I'm about to
Let go of your
leave.
water.
I'm about to leave.
You're not leaving. You're not complying.
I'm about to leave.
But you're not.
Ow! 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 I'm about to leave.
That's okay.
Petty! I'm so petty. I'm about to leave. I'm about to leave. You guys knew what the you're about to do. It's a setup. It's a setup.
It's a bad time to play victim.
Bonita!
Here, I'll take this.
No, you don't take nothing.
Okay, all right.
Now your poor dog's gonna go to shelter now. Good job.
For what? Is it cameras out here?
Yep.
Is it cameras out here? No, I hear no camera. I tried to help you.
Let's go.
Where's my, no, wait. Where's my, no. I'm gonna go. Listen, I'm gonna go, but where's my freaking, stop.
Nope.
Just
What?
walk.
Nope, we're past that point already.
Where are my credit cards and my freaking ID? Where's my ID? Where's my ID? And my credit cards and my dog?
As she was placed in the police car, the woman began to resist violently and repeatedly yelled insults at the officers.
Wait! Wait! Because guess what?
Have a seat.
Dad, where's my Bonita? Where's my baby? Dad! Don't you can't. Hey, hold on.
No, we're done
excuse
with this.
me.
Have a seat.
Excuse me.
A seat.
But you're not God. You're not God. I can have a seat out here.
No, you can have a
Stop.
seat inside.
Don't do that.
Kick me.
I'm not trying to kick you. I'm not trying to kick you. But guess what? Guess what? Guess what? You're kidnapping me. Kidnap! And guess what? Augusta, Georgia was the only place, but now you are about to be
your feet.
kidnapped. Ow! Ow!
Feet in the
Ow! My, you're breaking my mother.
Put your
Kidnap!
feet in the
Kidnap! 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 What am I being retained for? And did you read me my rights? Did you read me my rights?
The woman continued to resist, and it took the officers quite some time to restrain her and get her into the vehicle.
I got her here. You get her on the bottom.
Stop falling. Just sit down. Just sit down.
You're hurting me.
Well, I
Yeah!
don't hurt if you fucking sit down. Get up. Stop trying to go under the car.
Listen, we're trying not to hurt you. Get up or... Hey, sit down. I got an idea.
Right here.
Hold her down on the
Don't touch me! Oh, shit! I'm not moving! Just fly!
Stand up. Stand up.
Don't touch me!
You're going to get
Don't
touched. You
touch
got to
me!
sit up. You got to sit up, Therese. Come
Don't
on.
touch me! My arm! Stop! Don't touch me! Ah!
Lift, stand up. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Where do you want this? Just hold her legs for now until we get her to the car.
My arm!
I got her. All right, done.
Stop! My arm!
Don't bite me.
Ow!
1, 2, 3. All right.
You guys! Ow! My arm!
Bam, stop.
No, you are illegally forcing me. You are illegally forcing me. That's illegal! Just show me. Please tell me what I... Please tell me what I did wrong. Please tell me what I did wrong.
You got it?
Please tell me. Tell me what I did wrong.
How about now?
Tell me what I did wrong.
Pull. All right, we're good. Release. You're good. I just don't want it. I don't want her legs elevated like that. Good. All right, we're good.
The woman was charged with battery, trespassing, and resisting arrest with violence. These offenses are considered serious and can result in penalties such as up to 5 years in prison, thousands of dollars in fines, and a permanent criminal record. Depending on the severity and prior offenses, she may also face probation or court-ordered anger management programs. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. That poor dog. I can understand how ancient peoples believed in demon possession. What is that rule about giving water to gremlins? huge mistake. Staying calm and cooperative with law enforcement can prevent a minor issue from turning into a serious legal problem. Do you believe this Karen was overreacting? After you see the next case, you may want to think twice. It's shocking.
I'm so
On October 4th, 2024, Euclid police officers Goodhart and Hankins noticed a vehicle committing multiple traffic offenses.
Hi, can you open your window? Thank you.
Officer,
Hi.
I'm going home and
Okay.
I was donating to a benefit that I just left from.
All right. Well, my name's Officer Goodhart.
And I'm a server at the bistro in Bracknell, and whatever you need, I got you.
Okay.
I'm not...
Listen, I just stopped you because your headlights were off, right? You were
Are they really?
Yeah, you were also swerving back there. Maybe it wasn't your headlights, but your taillights were definitely
my
off.
headlights were off.
Okay. Well, we have it all on camera. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Yes. I mean, what is it? Registration.
All right. Perfect. What about your license?
So I do have that in.
Where are you coming from?
Well, I'm coming from work.
Where's work?
Bistro, Bracknell. I just started.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Started.
And you're headed home?
Yes.
This is your current address on 332nd?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That is my current address, sir.
Okay. Usually take this route home? Or you just said you just started? Okay, fair enough.
I am so new. So I literally just started a week ago.
Oh, okay.
And I work at the. I just got fired from the job a week ago.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
But now I'm at the bistro.
Perfect.
And I work there now.
Okay.
And I will give you what I'm not.
How about your license?
I'm looking for. I do have a license.
Okay.
Oh, here we go.
Okay. Just hang tight. All right, Miss Stacy, just hang tight, okay?
All right. My knee's out, so.
Okay. I almost always find these at the most inopportune times. Yeah, it doesn't help that she has a fancy cocktail book on her passenger seat. That's really not much. A bigger articulable fact is she's heading home, but she's going to 232nd.
Yeah, she has her. You could also say that she is saying she's headed home, but she doesn't know her address because she has her maps up on her phone.
She's completely slurred. I'm gonna do like the alphabet thing. All right, ma'am. We are having a computer issue back there.
Hey, no problem. What do you need from me?
The woman's slurred speech raised Officer Goodhart's suspicion of intoxication. When asked to recite part of the alphabet, she refused.
We are having a computer issue back there.
Hey, no problem. What do you need from me? Because I'm not cooperating.
I'm going to hand this back to you for now.
I
well, just
literally went to work, got out of work, hung out with my coworkers, and I'm going home. So
you said you're a server there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I saw you there.
Probably not. I've been here all night. So I have a couple questions. So listen, you're slurring your speech right now.
Well, yeah.
Your eyes are glassy. I get it, right? Have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
Okay. Can you do me a favor? I just want to make sure you're good. Do you know the alphabet?
Yeah.
Okay. Could you?
I'm learning Spanish.
Oh, cool. Can you recite the alphabet starting at C and ending at X? So starting at C and ending at X. Do you think you could do that?
Are you with me?
I am absolutely not.
You want me to start this alphabet from C to X backwards?
Correct. I didn't say backwards. Just starting at C and ending at X.
If you want to arrest me right now, I will get a lawyer.
I'm not.
I'm up.
I'm trying, ma'am. I'm trying not to arrest you. All right.
All right.
But at this,
arrest me right now,
ma'am.
I don't even know why you arrest me. So first of all, number one.
Okay, so listen. You're slurring your speech. You have glassy eyes.
I wouldn't slur my speech.
Listen, it's 3 a.m. Okay.
I'm tired.
All right. You said you're on the way home, correct?
Can I turn my car off?
Absolutely. All right. Listen. You said you're going home to Eastlake. You are about 100 blocks away from there.
I am going home,
Okay.
sir.
I'm saying everything added up.
Respecting you.
Okay.
And what do you need me to do?
All right. Once again.
What do you need me to do?
All right. So once again, start your alphabet, starting at C, ending at X. How's that? We'll just start there.
Z?
Starting at C, so A, B, C,
So you want
ending
me
at
to
X.
count my alphabet?
Well, recite your alphabet, the alphabet, starting at C, ending at X.
Just give me a DUI.
All right. Why are you calling somebody right now?
I'm giving you my phone.
I don't want your phone. You're calling somebody.
You
Hang that up.
apparently want me
Okay.
to fail this ridiculous test.
Ma'am, I'm trying to rule out that you are not intoxicated so I can let you go home. But right now, you're kind of making me lean the other way at this point.
I want
all right?
to work with you, but
So,
I don't understand.
all right, so let's skip the part where you lied to me and just be
I'm
honest.
not lying to you. I'm just asking you. You're asking me
The woman was asked to leave her vehicle to undergo standardized field sobriety tests.
for a living.
Do you understand what I do for a living?
Yes.
Okay.
You risk your life every day.
Okay, and listen.
So for you to
I don't-
ask me a stupid thing.
Okay, I'm going to have you step out of the car right now. Okay, so unlock your door, please.
Here's my.
All right, listen, I want to make sure you're not intoxicated, okay?
Here's my phone.
Okay, I don't know why you're calling somebody right now. I'm going to hang that up.
Anybody.
You were. So,
No, I'm
listen.
not. No, I'm not.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name's
I'm not calling anybody.
Okay,
I'm not calling anybody.
Okay, listen, I'm
tired of people bothering me all day.
Okay.
I work a bartender job.
Okay, and I
So
really-
I am working with you.
Okay.
What do you need me
All right,
to do?
we're going to step over here out of the road, okay?
Okay. Whatever you need.
All right.
Do it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can you turn off the front lights, please? All right,
Working with you.
ma'am, would you be willing to just take a couple tests, show me that you're okay to drive?
Yeah.
Would that be all right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you have any issues with your eyes, your back, or your knees?
I am 42.
Okay.
And I have no issues with my eyes, and
Perfect.
I hope you're recording this.
And do you, yeah, perfect. And do you?
And I want my lawyer.
Okay.
Who are you? Are you a rookie?
Yeah,
Are
he's
you training
yeah.
him?
Yeah,
Training
right now.
him?
So,
Okay. So where's my lawyer?
okay.
I think I need a lawyer.
Right now, you're not under arrest, so you don't need
arrest
one.
me.
Okay, ma'am, you
With
don't need to be rude. Okay, there's no need to be rude and swear at me.
Well,
I've been
where's
nothing.
my lawyer?
Okay, where is he? Was that who you're calling?
Is he my lawyer?
What's your lawyer's number? I'll call him.
Do I need a lawyer? Are you arresting me?
No,
I'm
not right now.
communicated anything.
Okay, I'm trying to, but you keep interrupting me. Okay, so
What do we need here?
I just need you to answer my questions. Pretty simple.
While taking the tests, she repeatedly requested an attorney and refused to cooperate, forcing the officers to place her under arrest.
Can you see that right there?
I could see that.
Okay, I'm just going to hold that up. You're going to keep your head still, and you're just going to follow it with your eyes, okay? Pretty easy. Just follow it with your eyes. Not me.
I'm not following you.
Follow my finger with your eyes.
Call my lawyer.
Okay. Are you refusing to take the tests? Okay.
Why would I want to take a test?
Okay, do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back.
Giving me a test.
You're under arrest for operating a vehicle while under the influence, okay? I'll give you another opportunity to take the tests, okay?
I don't like that you're giving me some sort of weird test.
Okay.
I have borderline personality disorders. So
Okay.
you could tell your lawyer or
Okay.
your governor.
Okay, you're gonna go in the back of the car, okay?
I'm cooperating too, because I'm not.
Okay, we're just gonna have you sit back here. Right now, you're under arrest for operating a vehicle intoxicated.
But I'm not.
Okay.
Just stand right here, okay? All right.
Yes, and I'm not operating.
All right. Do me a favor. I just need to make sure your mouth's clear of any
You can't
debris.
even talk right.
Okay.
I'm sorry, you can't even say favor right. Where's my lawyer?
Ma'am.
You can't even say favor right. Where is my lawyer?
Okay, you're just going in the back of the car.
Okay.
All right.
Where's my lawyer?
I'm going to advise you of your rights back here.
Where's my lawyer?
Okay. Have a seat.
Thank you. Where's my lawyer?
Okay.
And thank you. Where's my lawyer?
All right, so listen up. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement you may...
Thank you for ruining my life.
Okay,
and
once again...
Where's my lawyer?
You have the right to remain silent. Any statement you...
Where's my lawyer?
Okay.
Thank you for ruining my life. I don't understand.
I'm going to read this to you when we get back to the station, okay? All right,
ma'am, can I check your mouth for anything? Can you open your mouth? Can you lift your tongue up?
All right.
Yeah, I'm on drugs, bro.
Okay, can you lift your tongue up?
I wish I was.
Okay.
After being escorted to the back of the patrol car, the woman became really hostile and annoying.
How much money do I have to pay you to get me out of this? Literally.
You don't pay us anything.
I can't sneak my way out of it. That's okay. Can you at least tell those people that I work for that I can't show up tomorrow? I am so f***ed. All I did was serve people alcohol. That's all I did. I am brand new at a job. I serve people alcohol. And I never worked here. And I just gave them alcohol. And you're gonna ruin my life? Okay.
The woman was charged with operating a vehicle impaired OV, driving without headlights, and failure to drive within marked lanes. For the OV charge, she could face fines, a potential license suspension, and mandatory DUI education. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. Any person with 5 DUI arrests should lose their license forever. She speaks fluent Slurish. I met my wife in my ambulance. She was drunk and suicidal, but she called me handsome, said no paramedic ever. This case highlights the importance of cooperating with police during traffic stops. Let's move on to the next case.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. I'm going to go ahead and advise you of your rights, okay?
On December 12th, 2023, while on patrol, an officer noticed a suspicious black vehicle and pulled it over for inspection.
Afternoon.
How are you?
Do you have your license with you?
I do. I have it in my purse.
Okay. Do you have any weapons in the car? No? Okay. I just have to ask. It's Arizona.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Do you have your registration and insurance? Is this your vehicle or?
Yes, it's mine.
Oh, okay. You and your husband's?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay. And how do you say your name now?
Myra?
Myra? All right, Myra. The reason I stopped you is a few reasons. One is you're following too close behind that semi-truck. I know he changed lanes in front of you, but you never backed off of it. And I had you at less than a second. I had you at 0.8 seconds behind him. The safe following distance is 3 to 6 seconds.
Oh, I did not.
Yeah, that way you have plenty of time to react in case something happens, like if he blows a tire or slams on his brakes or you have to take evasive action. It takes the average person about a second and a half just to perceive a threat in front of them and start to react. That doesn't even include the actual reaction time.
Okay,
So
yeah, I did not know that. I'm sorry.
you're good. I'll just give you a written warning. How dark is your window tint?
I don't know. When I bought the car, I just got it not too long ago in August, and from the dealership, that's how I got it.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so I wouldn't know.
Gotcha. And then the stuff hanging from your rearview mirror is a view obstruction. You just got to take it down. Okay? I'll just give you a written warning. I'm not going to give you a ticket. There's not going to be any points or fines on your license, okay? If you just want to step back with me, we'll get it knocked out real quick.
The deputy intended to give a warning for tailgating, but the driver's nervousness, shaky voice, and difficulty maintaining eye contact made him suspicious.
Where's your son at?
Sorry?
Where's your son?
Down in here, and I don't know the name of it. The dad just moved over here, so I just have to.
The dad what?
Well, the dad won custody of the kids, so now they're letting me get my kids every so often, whenever he wants. So he's giving me it for a week.
Oh, okay. All right. Looks like my computer's down, so we'll have to do this by hand. Where's the dad live?
I don't know his exact address. I'm meeting him at a point.
You're meeting him at a point?
Yeah, he doesn't want me to know his address.
He doesn't want you to know his address?
No, he's sorry for the word, but he doesn't stick to me.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Where does he, what city does he live in?
I'm 15 minutes.
Holbrook? It's about 20 minutes from here. He lives in Holbrook?
Mm-hmm.
How long has he lived in Holbrook for?
They probably moved in a couple of months ago. I don't know exactly how long.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's your son's name? How old is he?
15.
15. Is he going to Holbrook High School then?
Yeah, I'm assuming.
You're assuming?
Yeah.
How come you don't get to see him very often?
Because he got full custody.
Why did he get full custody?
When we went to court, because we got custody when we were living. Well, he was living down in Visalia, myself as well, and then I moved after he got the custody. But when we went to the court, the judge never gave me why.
Oh, really? Yeah. Where did you guys go to court?
Visalia.
What's that?
Where? In Visalia?
Visalia, California?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
He was in the military.
The woman said she was in a hurry to pick up her son, but her actions appeared suspicious, as if she was concealing something.
What about school?
Well, they're out for vacation.
They're out for vacation right now?
Well, that's what he told me. That he was going to me for vacation.
Okay. Sorry, I gotta start over my, I haven't used the written side in a long time and I get it wrong, so. What do you do for work?
I work at Medpharmix. It's, I do custodial work, but it's, what is it, like,
Oh, really quick, okay? I'll be right back. While I'm up there, is it okay if I look at the VIN on the door? Is that all right? Okay. All right, just hang tight for me in just a second. I just have a quick question for you. Out here on the interstate, we have people that haul and transport illegal contraband. You don't have anything illegal in your car, do you? Any weapons or explosives in the car? Any guns?
No.
Any bombs?
No.
Any bazookas?
No, what would I have?
Any dead bodies in the car?
No.
Okay. In the state of Arizona, marijuana is legal up to an ounce. Do you have any marijuana in the car?
I don't use drugs.
You don't use drugs at all? Okay. Any methamphetamine in the car? Cocaine? Heroin? Fentanyl or fentanyl pills? Any prescription drugs you're not supposed to have?
No.
How about identity theft items? Do you have any identity theft items in the car? Any identity theft making machines? Anything like that? Okay. That being said, would you give me voluntary consent to search your vehicle for any of those types of items? Yeah? Okay. Let me just get a consent form really quick. 430 consent to search.
From back, negative valid, I'll have a true call. Word to you.
10-4, my MDT is down. Also be advised, consent to search.
Copy, those are 431, I'll be on 430. Copy, those are 2.
Are you responsible for everything inside the car? Anybody ask you to bring anything up here to take to anybody? They did? What do you have in there?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you being paid to drive something up here? Yeah?
I didn't get paid yet.
You haven't get paid yet? Okay. What's in the car, Amira?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it illegal? Pretty much. Okay, if you don't know what it is, how do you know if it's illegal?
Well, if there's something I'm not supposed to drive with.
So you're not coming up here to pick up your son, is that what you're telling me? Okay. I kind of figured because Holbrook is not out of school yet.
I know.
Okay.
I don't know what he's saying.
Okay. I just watched our school resource officer go to work today. Okay.
The officer had the dog run around the car to see if it could detect anything, and the dog's reaction indicated that the vehicle was storing illegal substances.
So that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and walk my dog around the car really quick, okay?
It's in the back seat.
It's in the back seat? Okay. What's there going to be?
Would you consent to a pat down of your person?
Sorry?
Would you consent to a pat down of your person to make sure you don't have any guns or anything?
No.
Nothing? Okay.
No.
Nothing in your pockets?
No.
No needles? Nothing?
No.
Nothing right here. All right. Hang tight.
I don't know if I've never done this, but, and you know, is there any way you could call my son for me?
We'll deal with that when we figure out what's going on. Okay. So, having said that, do you know what's in the car?
No, I don't.
Okay. Is it your vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. So, how did it get in your car? Did you load it into your car, or did someone put it in your car?
Yeah, someone. I didn't touch it.
Okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, push it. Otto. Otto. What the deposit's been out of? Mara, so the dog did alert to your vehicle. He's trained to detect the odors of marijuana, meth, cocaine, heroin, and fentanyl. That alert does give me probable cause, and the fact that you've told me that there's something illegal in your car also gives me probable cause. Okay, so we're going to do a search. And
The officers conducted a search and found more than 30 pounds of methamphetamine valued at over $1 million, and then immediately arrested the woman.
all right, Myra, you are under arrest this time. Okay, go ahead and turn around and put your hands behind your back. I'm going to go ahead and advise you of your rights. Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney if you desire, before any questioning. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, won't be provided to you free of charge. You can decide at any time not to answer any questions or make any statements. Bearing that in mind, do you understand your rights? I need a verbal yes or no. Okay. Indicated yes. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to our office and we're going to process this. We're going to have some people that come and talk to you, okay? Is there anything else in the vehicle other than that? How much are you being paid to transport that?
$2,500.
$2,500? Okay, and where are you supposed to take it?
Where I told you.
So, where you were supposed to meet your son?
The GPS is it's still in the car.
Still in the car. Okay. So I'm going to have a deputy come over here to transport you. We're going to transport this over to our office and process it in there, okay? We have another...
The woman was arrested on multiple felony charges related to drug trafficking. Due to the large scale of the operation, the case was handed over to the DEA and escalated to the federal level. If convicted, she could face significant prison time and heavy fines, as federal drug trafficking offenses carry severe penalties. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. You know you're screwed when the camera guy shows up. Just imagine, how many of them are driving on our roads, undetected? Pack your bags for El Salvador. This case teaches the importance of being vigilant and trusting instincts of law enforcement. Let's move on to the next case.
There we go.
A parking attendant reported a traffic incident on September 26, 2022, after a pickup truck struck a parking garage sign, seriously damaging it. Here is what happened next.
Damage.
Hey, where you going? Stop walking.
I have not done anything to be detained.
What is going on?
She wants me to drunk drive her home, and I'm not going to drunk drive her home.
She wants you to drive her home?
Yeah, I'm not going to drive her home. I have done nothing right to be detained.
Do you have any ID on you?
Yeah, I'm going to go to my car.
Where's your ID?
I'm going to get on my car.
Where is your ID?
I'm going to my car.
Where is your ID?
I'm going to my truck.
We're going to go back there, and we're going to figure this out. So go back downtown.
I have done nothing to be detained.
Go back down there.
Why am I being detained?
For some sort of traffic crash, we're trying to figure out the investigation.
No,
okay?
I am not.
So you're not free to go. You're not free to go.
I have not been detained.
We're going
I have not been detained.
I will put you in handcuffs if you do not start
Okay, I
walking
have
down.
not been detained.
Let's go.
I have not been detained.
Let's go. Come on. Come on.
Do not touch me.
Come on.
Do not.
Come on.
Ma'am, do not
Let's
touch
go.
me.
Let's go.
Do not touch me.
We're going to try to figure
I
this
have
out.
not done anything.
We're going to figure out the investigation.
I have
Go
not
back down
done
there.
anything.
Let's go.
Do not touch me.
Ma'am, I'm about to put you in handcuffs.
Do not touch
this
me.
way.
Do not touch me.
Can you please walk this way?
Okay, I have not done anything.
Walk this way,
for you to
ma'am.
touch me.
You're not
Do not
following
touch me.
directions. Let's
I
go.
have not done anything to be detained. What have you been?
She's about to be put in handcuffs if she doesn't start listening.
We're doing an investigation. We can detain you if we
There's
want to.
no investigation.
There is an investigation.
My
because we got a call.
friend flagged you guys down because you drunk. Okay?
Okay.
My friend
We got a
flagged
call
you guys
about
down.
something.
There's no reason for me to be detained.
Things are starting to heat up. Instead of remaining calm and cooperating with the officers, the girl kept yelling and refused to hand over her ID.
Why not? Don't try to confuse me. My friend is drunk as
Your ID or not?
you guys. You guys, I'm not detained. I have done nothing
You are
wrong.
detained,
A million
and
other
you need to
people.
identify
no,
yourself.
No, a million other people have gone to their cars and done wrong. A million other people. When I was on my way here, some dude was four-wheeling in his thing. 2 wheels
What
on
does
a
that have
dirt
to
bike.
do with the...
I have done nothing wrong.
Ma'am, I need to see your ID.
No, you guys.
You're not free to go.
Give me my phone. Give me my phone. I have done nothing wrong. Give me my phone. Let go of me.
Are you good, Miss Lightfoot?
Let go of me. I have done nothing wrong. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let me grab my phone.
Hey, Miss, how are you?
I have done nothing wrong.
Relax for a second, just relax.
You guys.
It's not very nice. Watch your feet.
Haley. Haley, I have done nothing wrong to get arrested.
Relax, man.
Grab my phone. Right there. Grab my phone. Grab my phone.
Let go of your keys. Do you understand me?
What have I done wrong to be detained?
Let go of
How
your
am I being
keys.
detained? How am I being detained?
I'm gonna knee strike
Tell
you
me.
if you don't let go of your keys.
Knee strike me. How am I being detained? How am I being detained?
I'll speak to the clerk again.
Can we have a little bit?
Yeah.
You should probably stop, okay? You should probably stop doing that.
Oh, she's so okay. How am I being detained?
Although she was handcuffed, the woman kept struggling, forcing the officer to pin her to the ground before quickly escorting her to the police car.
How am I being detained? Tell me, how am I being detained? What have I done wrong? Tell me.
There we go.
You could have prevented that.
Chill out.
What the have I done wrong?
You could have prevented that from
What the
happening. I would stop doing that, okay?
What the have I done
I'll
wrong?
do the,
What the have I done wrong? What the have I done wrong? No, tell me to my face. Tell me, what the have I done wrong?
Well, you're having issues listening. Let's start with that.
Wait, look. What the have I done wrong? Haley!
I don't know,
Haley!
if they're doing the traffic crash.
Haley, what the have I done wrong?
Hey, can you just calm
Okay,
down?
no, but look.
Just calm down.
I've never been arrested in my life, and what the
Okay?
Why? Why?
Okay? For an investigation.
For what?
For an investigation.
Can I look at you for a second?
No, you can't, actually.
Because what the can I talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. Where's my proof?
Let's figure out what's
No,
going on.
can I talk to you for a second? Look,
Can I guys talk to you for a second? I've never been arrested in my life. Can I please talk to you?
Face that way.
No, look. Can I please talk to you? I've never. Why am I being detained? Can I please talk to somebody?
Get in.
Please.
Get in.
No, let me please talk to you. Please. Please. Please, let me talk to you. Please, for a second. I'm sober. Please. Okay. You know what?
Get in the vehicle.
You guys detained me for no reason. Yeah.
You got your friends out of your truck?
Yeah. You.
Did she have her purse?
You.
Later, the officers went to the woman's friend to gather further information.
What was the argument over?
We came from the bar. We were both drinking. And we got in the truck and I insisted on driving because I felt like I was more sober, which I'm not. But she was very prominent on driving, so I let her drive. We hit this curve right here coming out, and I stopped her and I said, Caroline, let me drive. It'll be fine, which it's not.
Which
it wasn't.
curve?
I'm not okay to drive.
Which curve?
This close. This is the one over there by the right side. And I felt her hit it, and I said, Caroline, let me drive. She said, no, I'm fine. And I got out and I tried to put the slip in that we got coming in. And the young lady over there talking to the other officer, she came over eventually and said, do you need help? And I said, yes, ma'am. And she's like, you're in the wrong lane for, I don't know, like there's an exit or whatever? Yeah, the wrong exit. That one's for like a primary resident, and this one is for visitors or whatever. So, in that exit, she said, Caroline said, I'm fine, don't worry about it. After the lady came over and tried to help us and told us, hey, you're in the wrong lane, I said, let me drive. I'll drive. I'll take care of it. And that's where our argument began because she wanted to drive and I wanted to drive. And in my heart, I knew neither one of us could drive. And she got very aggressive and I just walked away. I walked down the street and then she came out saying the cops are coming. I was like, well, if they have to come, they have to come. I don't know what to tell you. She was like, we have to leave. And I'm like, no, we're not leaving. My purse is in the garage. My phone, I have to work in the morning. It was not supposed to end this way.
After leading the disruptive woman to their squad car, she continued deflecting all full of blame onto her friend that she is the one causing the incident.
Is she being nicer or no?
Yes, I am. I have done nothing wrong to be detained. What have I done wrong? Do we know where we're at with this so far? I have done nothing wrong to be detained.
Doing the crash.
I gotta wait for him to come. Let me the out of here. I'm just gonna go on your side to steal my wallet for the Miranda. Alright. You can hear me? Is that a yes or no? Alright, so my name is Officer Johnston. I'm with the Fort Myers Police Department, okay? Officer Warlick is doing the traffic crash investigation, okay? Now I am going to conduct a DUI investigation. You are the subject. You are the subject of the investigation.
No, I have not walked to my car. Haley walked to the car, right?
I have to read you something, okay?
No, Haley walked to the car. That is not fair. So my friend Haley can walk away from
Ma'am,
what?
you have to let her finish.
No!
Stop
my
talking.
friend Haley, no!
One will be
No!
appointed
My
for
friend
you
Haley can
before
walk to
any
jail for
question
what?
If you wish. If
My
you
friend
decide to
Haley can
answer
walk to
questions
jail for
without
what?
a lawyer present, you will still have
Yeah.
the right to
You.
answering at any
You.
You also have to stop answering at any
Haley
time
can
until
go
you
to
talk
jail
to a
for
lawyer.
what?
Do you understand
Haley
these
can go to
rights
jail
I've
for
explained to you?
No!
What do you not
No!
understand out of this?
Nothing.
Would
my
you like
friend
me to start
Haley.
again?
Yes. My
Okay.
friend Haley went to jail. My friend Haley
Are
got
you gonna
to
let
walk
me
away. No, my friend Haley got to walk away.
So I'm going to read this
Why
again.
did my friend Haley get to walk away?
So once I get to finish
Why
reading
did-
this,
no.
then you
No.
can answer. Then you
No.
ask me questions,
Why did
and
my
I can
friend
answer your
Haley get
questions.
to walk away?
I can't answer that until
Why
I
did
do
my
this.
friend Haley get to walk away?
I'll wait till you're
I
ready.
can't understand until you tell me that. Because
Unfortunately,
I was walking down the same sidewalk.
So unfortunately, the only way I can answer your questions
I
is
can't
for me
answer
to
any
read this.
questions unless you tell me why.
Then we're
Me
just
and
gonna sit
Haley-
here.
Me and Haley were walking down the same sidewalk, right?
Oh wait.
Right?
Let me know when you're ready and stop
I'm not
interrupting
ready.
me. Okay.
I'd like to talk to the sheriff.
Well, unfortunately, you can't do that.
Okay, well, why was I walking down the same sidewalk as
So,
Haley?
in order for
No,
me to
no, no,
answer
no,
your
no, no.
questions,
Why
I
was
have to
I
read
walking
this.
down the same sidewalk as
So I'm
Haley?
gonna read this again
No,
to you,
I don't
okay?
I don't give a.
So you have the right to
No,
remain
I
silent.
can't understand it. Until you tell me why, Haley.
So
was
anything you
walking
say
down
can
the
be used
same
against you in
sidewalk
court.
as me.
You have the right
No,
to
I
talk to
can't
a lawyer for
understand that.
advice before we ask you
No.
any questions and have with you
I
during
cannot
questions.
understand that.
What do you not understand?
Because Haley was walking down the same sidewalk as me.
So.
And we got arrested for walking down the sidewalk.
Let me know when you're done.
So why am I arrested for walking down the sidewalk?
You're not under arrest right now.
No.
You're being detained.
For what?
So, in order for me to answer that question, I need to read from here to
No,
here.
no, no, no.
That's
My
how it
friend-
works.
Okay, but listen.
It doesn't matter right now.
My friend Haley.
You can tell me that once I finish reading
No,
this.
no.
The officer's patience was pushed to the limit as the woman refused to admit her wrongdoing, interrupted them while they were reading her rights, and kept blaming her friend who was with her.
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Nope.
To make sure that you're able to drive the vehicle
No,
away?
because I wasn't driving to
No?
my car.
Okay. At this time, you're under arrest for DUI.
No, I'm not.
When we get
I'd like to call an Uber.
when we
I'd
get
like to call my-
when we
I'd
get
like to
down
call-
to the
I'd
jail,
like to call
are you
my-
willing to provide a bread sample?
Negative.
So you're not willing to provide a bread sample. Okay.
Because Haley was
I
walking
have
my
to
car
read you
drive.
something, okay?
No, you're not. Because Haley was walking to my car to drive to my car. No.
Where'd I put it?
No. I was now walking to my car. I was calling
There it
an
is.
Uber. So how can you how can you arrest me when I was calling an Uber?
So.
How can you call me when I was calling an
You
Uber?
gotta listen. You have to
No,
listen. Stop
I don't
talking.
understand.
You have to listen and stop talking.
No, I was calling an Uber. I was calling an Uber. I don't understand.
I am Officer
no,
Johnson,
f-
the
you, I
Fort
don't
Myers Police
understand.
Department.
I don't understand.
If you fail to submit to the test I
I don't
requested of
understand.
you, so
I was calling an Uber.
are you
I was
willing
calling
to
an Uber.
Are you going
I
to
was
provide a
calling
bread
an
sample?
Uber. I was calling an Uber.
Are you going to provide a bread
No,
sample?
because I was calling an
No.
Uber.
Okay, I'm going to give you one more chance. Okay?
No, because I was calling
when
an
we
Uber.
get down to the jail, are you willing to
No,
provide a bread
because I was
sample?
calling an
No.
Uber.
Okay.
Hey, can you
You're
take
under-
my number?
You're under arrest for DUI.
941. Because 941 DUI.
In the end, as Karen faced several charges after the incident, she was accused of driving under the influence, DUI, that resulted in property damage, being impaired by alcohol or drugs, and resisting law enforcement. These charges could lead to criminal penalties, including fines, license suspension, or even jail time. That was a crazy situation, wasn't it? Let's check the comments below to see how people react to this case. Alcohol entitlement, the absolute worst. I hope Haley watches this, sees that your so-called friend wanted you in jail so bad that all she talked about was why you weren't arrested for over 5 minutes. This isn't your friend. Mommy or daddy never told the little shit no. A key lesson from this incident is that refusing to cooperate with law enforcement and failing to take responsibility can quickly escalate a situation. Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
Turn around and put hands on your back.
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
On March 3rd, 2024, the police officer received information about a suspicious individual at the luxury resort.
So you see where you turned right to go into the gym? Instead, you're going to turn left where you go in the Uber lot. It's going to be there right next to a Jupiter police car.
Okay. Am I going to the airport right now?
No, it's your car.
I got a ticket to the airport, so.
You all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Is your keys?
What?
Let me see them.
No, I'm good.
I'm a police officer.
Okay.
Security guard. Okay, let me see your ticket. Let me see your keys.
My keys? My keys?
Let me see your keys, okay? Let's walk over there.
Okay. Are you going to take me?
Huh?
Are you going to take me to my car?
No. Find out what's wrong with you.
There's nothing wrong with me.
Okay, I just want to make sure there's something wrong with you.
My name's Karina. My name is Maya.
Say again?
My name is Maya.
Okay, what's going on? So what's going on?
So see, I got beat up. So I'm a little bit like, disheveled. I'm hungry. I have to pee. I didn't brush my teeth. I have my period. I just want to go home.
Okay, where's home for you?
Well, I'm going to be going to Georgia. And then I got married in December.
Where are you going right now? Where's your plan to go?
I'm going to my car and I'm going to go get something at Burger King. Chicken tenders.
After approaching the woman, the officer proceeded to check her information and documents.
hospitals
Are
all
you
the
okay,
time.
ma'am?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Just 2 seconds ago, you said you're going to the airport. Now you're
No, I
saying
said I have tickets to go to the airport on Wednesday. So I'm going to go to the airport on Wednesday. Listen, I just had a terrible
How are
time.
you going to the airport on Wednesday if you're going to Georgia today?
Well, what's today? Sunday. It takes 8 hours to get to Georgia. I'm going to go visit my mother. She just opened a new hair salon. And then I'm going to drive to the airport, which is in Georgia.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you, ma'am?
No.
Do you have anything with your name on it?
Yeah, I have a marriage certificate.
That'd be great.
Come on. Did you ever
You don't
get
have an
new
ID, how are you going
shoes?
to drive?
Huh?
How are you going to drive with no ID?
I'll find it. It's in my bag. Did you ever get new shoes and never like try them out before you wore them? Don't do it. I'm wearing it.
Nah.
I got this.
Okay, what is that? I don't know what that is.
It ain't here.
Yeah, we're at the resort.
Excuse you. I only have one copy, so don't lose it.
I'm going to be right here. I'm not going anywhere.
Here's my ticket for the airport.
You have a ticket for the airport? I see.
No,
Why?
it's not your business where I'm going.
My concern is right now is if you're okay to drive.
Okay.
Okay. And if
You want to
you're
give a
all right.
breathalyzer?
No, I don't think you're drunk. I think something else might be wrong with you.
Oh, well, you're wrong.
Okay. Stop.
Give me my
Stop.
marriage certificate.
Stop.
Give me my marriage certificate.
Stop it, okay?
Give me my
Because
marriage
right now,
certificate.
No. Listen to what I'm telling you, okay? Right now, I'm trying to make sure that you're okay, right? This is not an arrestable offense. It's the difference between, I don't know where you're from, but here in the state of Florida, it's what's called the Baker Act, which means I'll take you to a men's
Here, ready?
hospital, okay?
Here.
And I'll make sure you're
Here.
cleared for the hospital.
Been
Okay,
there.
what does that have to do with?
Been there.
Okay. What does that have to do with what I'm talking about?
Nothing. Give me my paper back.
What is your name?
Maya.
Maya what?
It's on there. I got married December 6, 2023. I'm
Doesn't say anything
eloping.
about Maya. Where does it say anything about Maya?
Huh? It's my marriage certificate. What are you talking about?
Where does it say Maya?
We'll flip it over. Do you want to see my wedding invitations?
Oh, right here, look. That's you?
Maya.
Okay. You live in Las Vegas? You're from Las Vegas?
Well, I got married there, so don't judge.
Okay. All right, just give me 1 second. I just want to make sure you're good. Make sure you have a valid license and stuff.
After she presents a fake ID and acts erratically, officers move to detain her. She resists arrest, pleads with the officers, and claims she has a broken thumb.
Do you have an ID with your name on it? Let me
Yes.
see an ID with your name on it.
Can you not show that guy behind
Okay.
me?
Yeah, you get 22 of that. Give me a fake name.
That guy's behind you.
65 the correct deal in a minute.
You can leave.
Let me get the deal.
You're real, right?
Listen, I'm a police officer. Give me your ID. 65 the deal number.
But the guy behind you is listening.
Listen, I don't care. Now you got me mad, okay? You gave me a fake ID. That's illegal.
I didn't give you any ID.
You did.
I gave you a marriage certificate.
That's the same thing.
I gave you a marriage certificate.
And you told me your name was that. That is a fake ID.
Sure, yeah.
All
These
right,
are the bags they gave me.
Turn around.
Hey.
Turn around. Turn around.
Don't
Turn
throw me
around.
down. Don't throw me
Turn
down.
around.
Don't throw
Turn
me down.
around.
All right, I will.
Turn
Don't throw me
around.
down. Don't throw me down,
Listen,
please.
Turn around.
Don't throw me
right
down.
now.
All right.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Do it now. Turn around.
Please don't hurt me.
Turn around.
Please don't hurt me.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please
I got
don't
one.
hurt
Pick
me.
cups.
I have a broken thumb. Please don't hurt me.
We're
Help.
done.
Please help. Please
Stop
help.
resist. Stop
Help.
resisting.
I'm not.
Stop resisting.
Please help.
Got it.
Mom. Mom. Mom.
One in custody.
Please help. Please help. Please help. Officer. Please help. My name is Maya.
All right, Maya, just calm down.
Take her bag then. My thumb. Please take this bag. They gave me the bag. Listen, officer, they gave me the
Stop
bag.
it. Stop it.
They gave me the bag.
We're at the resort. Stop it.
Okay, they gave me the bag.
We're done. Just hang out right here, okay? No, we're done. I don't care what you
They
have
gave me
to
the
do.
bags. Ow, 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 ow. Just take this
hang out
bag
here for a
off.
second. Wait for the.
They gave me the bags.
She's giving me fake ID. It's not like this.
I have real ID. You have
Stop
real
it.
ID.
Stop it.
The woman was subdued and taken to the police car.
I'll get up. Once you
Okay,
get
get up.
Ow, ow, my arm. Take this backpack off for me. I'll get up. Hold on. Wait.
Get on up. Come on. You can get a party.
Come on. Get up.
There you go. Take this backpack off. It's not mine.
You're under arrest. Let's go.
Okay, hold on a second.
No, we're done.
Okay.
10:15? Yeah.
Wait, listen. Where's Karina's ID? Where's
Let's go.
my ID?
We're done.
You're under arrest, so you please don't answer that
Okay,
question.
take this backpack off me. It's not mine.
Of course it's not yours. That's why you're under arrest.
No, this is not my backpack.
That's great. Let's go.
Mine.
We have to go.
That's mine.
Let's go.
Ow, ow, ow. Ow, you're hurting my
Then
arm.
start walking.
Ow.
Start walking. We're done.
Help me. Are you a sheriff?
No.
They have my ID.
Alright.
Take that 15.
Okay.
What does that mean? I didn't steal.
Yeah, all right.
I swear to Christ for my mother.
Okay.
I rebuke this in the name of
You
Jesus.
park your car over there, right? It's towed. You, by the way, we tow your car.
Not my car. They didn't tell my car, Papa.
Yes, I did.
I have the phone number.
Okay.
No, his name is Mike. Oh, wait 1 second for
We're
real.
right here. The car's almost here.
I pissed myself.
Oh, that's too bad.
Listen, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Oh,
You guys locked me up
Right.
and beat me up.
Wait, let's do this right. Put it right here. Put it right here.
Okay, yeah.
Go get his stuff.
Oh, my thumb is broke.
The officers conducted a search and checked the woman's belongings before taking her to the station for processing.
We're done. All right?
Are we
You
really
gave me a fake
going?
ID that doesn't belong to you.
Oh, you.
So let's find out who backpack this belongs.
I-
You won't be able to get it off.
Yeah, we're done. Wait till the...
Yeah. Right,
Ow.
get it till
I want
Oh, let's
my
wait till
mom.
female to get you.
Mom.
Stop acting up, man, okay?
Oh, I hope you don't resist.
1373.
Okay.
You told me I was resisting before, and I would never. My dad is a police officer.
All right.
My grandfather's Judge Ramsey.
so what? Get it.
Ah. Ah.
Well, you didn't get all the way through.
Ah,
There you go.
la la mama. So, camarón. ¿Tú hablas español?
No, I don't speak Spanish.
Well,
American.
Do it again. There you
Don't
go.
put your hand in my hand.
Huh?
I have something in my pocket. Hold on. What
You
card?
don't get anything that's going to cut her.
I don't know if I have an orange knife in my right hand.
Okay.
All right.
If you pull it in, I can work out it's got covered. I'm sorry they gave me your bags. My name is Karina. Sorry, Maya.
What's the front?
Congratulations on your wedding.
So this is
Hey.
Hold on.
I'm going to find an ID so see
Hold
who
on.
this
Got
is.
people running up and stuff. What are you doing?
I
What's
also
up?
have a receipt that I need.
Just hang out right there, buddy. What do you need?
When you say front, do you have a
Who's your wife? Okay. Well, relax.
Okay.
Well, relax.
Oh, who
We'll
is she?
get to her.
What's going on to her?
She's the victim of the theft.
Right? Okay.
Just take her over there. Just take her over there by the stairs.
Sorry, Maya.
Okay. Don't touch her.
That's your
I have a lighter. Be careful. Okay. I don't know how to use it.
Could be a lighter or a knife. There's a knife.
It's orange. It has a cover on it.
not advise the 14 of the golf for trying to steal bags.
Listen, yeah, the brown bag is mine.
Okay,
That's
stop it. I don't care. Just be quiet. That's it. It's not funny.
All right,
Stop.
let her up on the back. I do this one.
LeBeau from the butcher shop gave me the bag.
Wonderful.
Face forward, okay? Face forward.
You?
No,
I don't know what forward is.
Look that way. There you go. You have anything in your bra or anything?
Only blue. Not big ones. Sorry.
Come around. Face that way. There you go.
The woman faced multiple charges including burglary, grand theft, and resisting arrest without violence. She then received a sentence of 24 months on probation and 106 days in jail. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. Never trust someone who is eager to tell you they are on their period. I never take my eyes off my luggage, no matter where I am, even at the nicest resort. Thieves and liars are everywhere. She is trying everything to try and distract and confuse officer. She is a worm. This case shows that resisting arrest and using fake identification can lead to serious legal consequences. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
Bruce! Don't you fucking talk to me like...
On February 10th, 2024, a 24-year-old Central Florida woman crashed her car in a wooded area of Flagler County. Deputies found her with 2 unharmed children in the vehicle.
Call him now.
I can't. I just have been trying to get the help from the father of the kids and he's
Where does he live?
He lives in Leesburg.
He lives in Leesburg?
I've been trying to get him here and then my mother just texted me, I don't know.
Your mom has the kids. Everything's okay. She's right there.
She's right there. She just texted me, but I don't know what.
Okay, we'll talk to her.
She's just saying she's just ashamed. Fuck, I just had a fucking accident. It's my first accident.
Okay,
I don't care about what the fuck do you care about.
Stop.
Que se joda lo que tú pienses. Que se joda lo que mi mamá piense, cabrón. Que se joda. Dios
fucking just give it to jail. Just
For what?
You know what? It's better for me to be in jail. It's better for me to be in fucking jail.
Why?
Because it's fucking better. Because it's fucking better. Because ¿qué? ¿Qué?
Hey, can we
¿Qué?
get them?
¿Qué? ¿Qué? ¿Por qué dice que no? ¿Por qué dice que no?
Hey, ma'am.
¿Por qué dice que no?
Ma'am.
Porque esto, lo que tú estás
Hello, ma'am.
After approaching the woman, the officer asked what had happened, and she recounted the entire incident.
Can you tell me what happened?
I don't know. I was just with my friend in the fucking 57 Sentinel. I just don't know what happened. There was a car. I see, like, there was no light. Like, I don't know what happened. If you want to be honest, I don't know what happened. There you go. Like, I don't know what happened.
So how did you end up from there to here?
I don't know. Because I'm not from around here. I just got here.
If I go to another city, I don't go and crash into the woods just because I'm not from there. I'm trying to understand what.
Sure.
I'm trying to understand
That's
what caused you to go into the woods.
I have no idea. I'm telling you that at the moment I didn't saw no light. I was in the 57 Sentinel. I was just trying to drive back home, and that was it.
Okay.
And that was it. I'm not around from here. I'm on the P section. I have no idea.
Okay. What's your name, ma'am?
Sharnette.
What is it?
Sharnette.
Sharnette?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Sharnette, can you just hang out with this?
The officer read the woman her rights and asked her to provide a detailed account of the incident.
Okay, ma'am. All right. So I need you to listen to me for a second here, okay? So what I'm going to let you know right now is that the crash investigation is completed, okay? What I'm doing now is I'm starting a criminal investigation, okay? I'm going to explain everything to you, but before I ask you any questions or you make any statements, I'm going to advise you of your constitutional rights, okay? All right, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained to you?
I do.
You said you do? You do understand?
I do understand.
Okay, so tell me again what happened to the best that you can remember.
I do remember everything. I just don't know how to end up right here. Because I was supposed to get a... I don't know if you can look at my tires.
Okay.
I just don't know how it ended up in here. Because if you could see, I made the stop and it just... You can see the tires right there. Because I can see them. I don't know what... I'm not from here. I'm in the P section.
Okay.
I was just getting out of the 57 Sentinel. And that's my friend's house, and she's in the phone right now. Okay. And I don't know how it ended up in here.
Okay.
And that's all I know.
Okay. Who else was in the car with you?
My kids.
Your kids? Okay. 2 kids?
Yeah.
Okay. Where were they sitting? In the back seat?
They were in the car seat.
So 2 kids in the back of the car seats,
Yeah.
and then you were driving.
They were strapped on. And I was strapped on. Yeah, everything. Yeah, they were strapped on.
Okay.
Yeah, like they were good.
So they were sitting in the back seat, you were sitting in the driver's seat, you were driving, and all of a sudden this happened.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then some girls just came at me because I couldn't even open my door. As you can see, I couldn't open my door, so some girls helped me out, and that's how I could get out.
Okay.
That's the only thing that I don't really know how to do.
After gathering the information, the officer asked the woman to perform several field sobriety tests.
Can you do me a favor? Can you you see my car right there, the big SUV?
Yeah.
Can you just walk to the front of the car for me?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So the next thing that I'm going to ask you to do, are you willing to perform a couple of standardized field sobriety exercises for me?
Fine.
Yes? I'm going to let you know that they're not mandatory, okay? You don't have to perform them. However, if you don't perform them, I have to make a decision based off of everything right now, okay? So it's completely optional. It's completely up to you. Do you want to perform a couple of the exercises?
This is my first time.
please help me out. I don't know. I'm a single mother with my kids just trying to fucking move out. And for the first time, I got with my friend.
I got you.
And I was just cooking because she's American, I'm a Puerto Rican. I was just trying to cook a plate for her. And I was just drinking with her, and that was it.
Okay, slow down.
I couldn't see shit.
We'll do it this way then, okay? Come stand in the front of my car for me. All right. Pointer finger and point to it. Okay. Go ahead, put your hand down. Okay. What I want you to do, I'm gonna have you follow the tip of the pen, okay? So the green light, I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? What I want you to do is just stay in that position until I tell you otherwise, okay? So you gotta make sure your feet are touching. There, you almost had it. Bring your left foot up a little bit more, and then touch the toes of your right foot. Look, just like this. So, ma'am, for this exercise, what I want you to do, okay? You don't have to stand on the line. You can stand a little bit off, just so it's a little bit easier for you, okay? I want you to pick one foot of your choosing, okay? Either your left foot or your right foot, okay? It's up to you, whichever foot, okay?
I got it.
Whichever foot you choose, bring that foot up approximately 6 inches, keeping it parallel to the ground. So you're gonna point your toe out, okay? So it's gonna look like this, okay? You don't have to do it yet, I just want you to watch me, okay? You're gonna keep your arms down to your sides, and you're gonna look down at the raised foot, counting out loud like 1001, 1002, 1003, while looking down at your foot, okay?
Until 1000 what?
Until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay? So, like I said, keep that foot raised until I tell you to stop. Okay. Keep your arms down to your sides. Okay, and just count out loud, like I said, 1001, 1002, until I tell you to stop, okay? Do you have any questions?
I do.
Okay, do you understand the instructions?
I do.
Okay, whenever you're ready, you can begin.
1001, 1002.
You have to bring your foot up, ma'am.
1003, 1004, 1005.
Noticing signs of impairment, the officers immediately placed her under arrest. However, she was first taken to the hospital for treatment of her injuries.
So right now, I do believe that your normal faculties are impaired beyond your ability to safely operate a motor vehicle, okay? Okay, what I need you to do, I need you to turn around, I need you to put your hands behind your back, okay? So you're under arrest for driving under the influence, okay?
I'm not lying, please. Please help me. I'm trying to fight for my rights.
Okay, stop
doing that. It's gonna get tight on you, and then it's.
I've been working my ass off, and I leave from Monday to Friday. I'm not.
Okay, ma'am, I'm gonna have you walk back over this way with me, okay?
Okay. Don't be rough.
Nobody's being rough with me. Hey, let me just set my seatbelt real quick.
Please, I just want to go home. Please don't do this. Please. Oh my God.
Ma'am, I know you're wearing a dress. Do you have anything sharp on you?
I do.
It's just a question.
Please don't do
Do you have anything on you?
I want my kids. Please don't do this. I was just cooking for my best friend. You can call my best friend.
The woman was charged with driving under the influence, DUI, and child neglect. After posting the bond, she was released from custody pending further legal proceedings. This is indeed a chaotic situation, isn't it? Let's examine what viewers have commented on after the video was circulated. Take me to jail. Okay, another strong candidate for Mother of the Year. She had entirely too much wine. Driving while impaired is dangerous and can lead to serious consequences, including legal charges and endangering others. This Karen is already a mess, so what about the next one? Let's keep watching. Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
Not been in occupation of this vehicle. She drove.
I witnessed you.
On April 5th, 2024, while on patrol, an officer encountered an individual appearing intoxicated inside a vehicle.
I've got somebody coming with her.
What's going on with her?
She's had a little bit too much to drink. I don't want her to drive. Somebody's on the way to come get us.
Are you with her?
Yeah, it's my mom.
Okay.
She knows she can't drive. She's a little bit too drunk. We
How'd
just
she
came
get
from
here?
Chili's. Well, we were just at Chili's, which is right.
And she drove here?
Right there. She came from Chili's to here because we started driving. I was like, Mom. She even said I had a little bit too much to drink. I was like, let's park. Have someone else come pick us up.
So she drove here with you?
Yes. But she's
Why didn't you drive?
I don't drive. I don't have a license. But I have someone on the way to come get us. She's okay. She just had a little bit too much to drink.
Adam Sam 83 David Adam. Back to inaccurate.
You're okay. I got someone coming to get us. I don't know who called the
Can you
police.
just hang out, just wait over there while I talk to them?
Yeah. Somebody called the police.
Well, we're not going nowhere.
I know, that's what I'm telling
hang
you.
out over there
Yes,
for me?
yes, sir.
Just get the out of
No,
here.
don't talk to him like that, Mom. Please do yourself a favor.
Nobody's driving.
Do you have your identification on you, ma'am?
No, I don't.
But you do have to provide that to me?
I have not drove today.
Okay.
She did.
Can you give me your identification, please?
I have no identification.
Can you check in your purse?
I did.
It behooves you to
Honey,
cooperate.
I have no identification. I have not drove this car.
Okay.
I drove her friend to this position.
Mm-hmm.
I have no record of driving.
Okay. So can you provide me with your driver's license?
No, I don't have no driver's
Do you have ID on you, ma'am? What is her name?
Melissa.
Melissa what?
You did not. You realized that you were too drunk and you pulled over. Yes. We need to get you home now.
Emma, I did not drive us from here to there.
Why are you so mean for, man?
No. She needs to know that I have not been in occupation of this vehicle.
The mom grows agitated, denies driving, and gives unclear details about a friend named Stephanie.
I witnessed you coming out of the driver's seat when I pulled up.
You may have witnessed it, but she asked me not to get her because she doesn't have a license. So I have not drove.
Okay.
Other than from there to this far. I have not drove other than letting her drive. She told me she had a license.
She told you she had a license?
Yes, she did.
So why did you drive?
Because she told me asked to go to this place. Yeah. It was 3 freaking yeah. I don't drive. I don't like driving.
Okay, would you mind giving me your license then?
I don't have anything to give you, sir.
Okay. So you're driving without a license as well?
I don't drive.
I just witnessed you coming from the driver's seat.
Yes, but she asked me to move from there to there.
From where to there?
3 freaking parking spots to this spot.
Well, why are you being so mean to me?
I'm not being mean,
I feel
look.
you are, because I'm asking for your license, which I know you clearly have, and you're refusing to provide it to me.
I'm telling you, she asked me to move to this spot. That's it.
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who's the registered owner of the vehicle, ma'am?
His name Ray.
Who's he to you?
He is my master electrician, sir.
Master electrician?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That's all he is to you? There's no personal
I work
relationship?
for him, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I have not drove this vehicle other than that part to this part.
So you drove from that parking lot to this parking lot?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And that's when I seen you getting out of the driver's seat and coming over here?
Yes, sir.
Where were you at before?
Otherwise, she was having she ate at this place, sir.
What place?
Right behind me, sir.
She ate here?
Yes, sir.
What'd she order?
Chicken.
Chicken?
I think it's here.
Walgreens sells chicken?
No, we came from Applebee's. She drove.
Okay.
Emma, what? Your friend, Stephanie, we dropped off. Where's Stephanie?
Do you have somebody you can call?
No, but where's Stephanie?
I don't know a freaking Stephanie. What are you even talking about? I don't. Talking to Lily.
Police suspect Stephanie doesn't exist. The daughter admits their relationship is strained and things got out of control. The mom keeps insisting she hasn't driven.
I don't drive, sir.
So you don't have.
I don't drive. Her friend Stephanie drove here.
Okay.
And ran that way.
Okay. Oh, she ran that way?
Yes.
So we should go look for her that way?
Yes, that way.
Okay, we'll do that. But where did you have the license, or do you have even a Florida identification?
I don't have no identification, but that's my daughter.
Okay, I understand that's your daughter.
And I have not drove.
Okay.
Where's Stephanie? Your friend, where is Stephanie? Where is Stephanie, Emma?
Do you have any ID on you, ma'am?
See, I have nothing.
No? What's your name?
Emma.
That's my daughter.
All right. We're gonna have a traffic unit come evaluate her. Excuse me?
I don't need to be evaluated. Her friend Stephanie.
Mom, there.
Don't even bother arguing. Did you have a ride coming for you? Okay.
Stephanie ran that way.
Okay, we got somebody looking for Stephanie, all right? And you're confirmed there's no Stephanie, correct?
I'm her mother. I've never drove.
Don't do that. Is your mother still alive?
I'm her mother.
I know, but you said on your mother, right?
No, my mom's alive. Yes,
So
absolutely.
why would you swear to your mother that Stephanie went that way?
Stephanie ran. She don't have a license.
What's Stephanie look like?
She's a blonde hair, 5'6", skinny looking meth head.
What was she wearing?
White shirt, black pants.
Did it have any design on it? Any words?
I can't tell you that, sir.
How long were you with? Did Stephanie go out to eat with you guys?
She just offered to drive us.
She just offered to drive you and your
Yeah,
electrician and
one of
mechanics.
my friends that gave me a ride to my job, I don't know her that well. Her name's Stephanie. I have not been under that wheel.
And the owner of this vehicle knows that
Yes.
you took the car so Stephanie could drive.
The situation escalates when the mom claims she is a sovereign citizen, citing a 1040X tax form to argue she's no longer under U.S. jurisdiction and cannot be arrested.
We don't use signatures to arrest people, we use
No,
handcuffs.
my mother sent, my mother put my social security in my first birth certificate with me being an infant with not acknowledgement. And I put a 10-40X on myself, and I am a sovereign being, and you cannot arrest me under that law.
Why are you yelling at me?
I'm just telling you right now, I am sovereign. I'm not part of the group of the Washington state. You can't do nothing to me.
Nothing at all.
Nothing. Look it up.
So explain the 1040X to me. I'm not familiar.
The 1040X means the Federal Reserve freaking had my mother sign my social security and my birth certificate without my acknowledgement, and I sent a 1040X, and now I'm not part of the Federal Reserve, and you cannot arrest me on sovereignty. You cannot. You cannot. I am sovereign. You cannot arrest me.
Can you spell sovereign?
I don't care if I spell sovereign the way you want to. I am sovereign. Just look up 1040X. Look it up. 1040X. I don't have to spell it for you. I am not part of the system no more. My birth certificate, nothing. You can't do nothing to me.
Later, the mother began to cry, and her daughter had to comfort her.
They don't get it. You're either gonna go to heaven or hell. That's it. No, I love them. They defend us. Do the right thing. They're left.
No.
They're
having a conversation amongst each other.
No, they're gonna.
Not everything's about you.
No, guess what? If you decipher one way or the other, you will be gnashing your teeth. You will be gnashing your teeth, and so will your family.
After multiple warnings, the woman still refused to comply, so the officers pulled her out of the car and placed her under arrest.
Come on. Come here.
You don't have a right.
Come here.
What did I do wrong?
Yeah, you're under arrest.
For what? I didn't drive, sir. You never saw me drive. What
Stephanie
right?
saw you in actual physical.
No, he did not. Stephanie ran.
5429 Gray Chevy to Robert Lodge, 4603 Wendy
I was in the
Lane.
driver's seat, sir. He has nothing on video, he told me. He has nothing on video. He saw a girl running away. I don't know why I'm getting arrested. Sorry, I never drove the car. I've been in the passenger seat.
You never drove my car?
I never drove that car, sir.
Have a seat, please. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Can I have my...
Watch your hand.
Yes, sir.
The woman was charged with DUI, refusal to submit to testing, obstruction, and driving with a suspended license. These offenses carry serious consequences, including possible jail time, fines up to $1,000 or more, and extended license suspension. If convicted, she may also be required to attend DUI education programs and serve probation. This is indeed a chaotic situation, isn't it? Let's examine what viewers have commented on after the video was circulated. I see why the parents divorced. Daughter is with the dad and doesn't have a real relationship with her mom. Young lady, keep doing things right. I feel so bad for children who have to be their parents' parent. She drove drunk with her daughter in the car, then blames the daughter. Real classy lady. Refusing to cooperate during a DUI stop and making false claims can lead to harsher penalties. This Karen is already a mess, so what about the next one? Let's keep watching.
Alright, can you turn around for me, put your hands on your back? You're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence.
On January 3rd, 2024, at around 5:39 p.m., the nearby Ringwood Police Department alerted Wenatchee police officers of an unpredictable motorist heading south on Ringwood Avenue.
Okay.
And if you want, I have videos of her hitting things.
Okay. You were behind the vehicle?
Yeah.
Alright, give me 1 sec. 6-4 to Wanacue. It's going to be Pennsylvania Reg, Mike Hotel Delta 8501. Alright, do you know where they went?
She stumbled that way.
She probably went to the smoke shop.
Right there?
Yeah. You said gray sweatshirt? Oh, where'd she go? Here, stand here. Do you have a video of her coming out of the car?
Coming out of the car? Possibly not.
Now, you said she struck the guardrail?
Yeah, up here, she hit it.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah, let me see the video, and I want to see...
This is of her hitting curbs.
All right.
You want me going sideways?
So, there's a female party in the smoke shop right now with a pink sweatshirt, gray sweatpants, and Ugg boots. So, we're waiting to see. Oh, so she's all over the road.
Yeah, and then there's, I think, a part in this video where she literally almost hits a utility pole, but I was on the phone with the cops.
All right, do you wish to file a complaint against the driver?
Yeah.
You do? Okay,
Because
not a problem. Not a problem. You have every right to. So we're going to make contact with her.
Okay.
Yeah, that's pretty...
This is only halfway through the video, too.
Okay, yeah, just hang tight.
That's starting right now. I gotta go run out to get my phone.
All right.
And then it just gets worse as we keep
Okay,
watching.
so what I'm going to need you to do is just hang out tight for me. Okay, we're going to have you email that video to us. Okay. All right.
Yeah, he said he'd give me an email to send it to.
So just hang tight, okay?
While speaking with Jillian, officers noticed signs of intoxication and asked her to do sobriety tests.
All right, so we have video footage of you all over the road, okay?
Okay.
People are calling, they're concerned about your driving behavior, okay? Are you under the influence of anything tonight?
No, you can test me on anything
Okay.
you like me.
All right, not a problem. Yeah, we're gonna. Okay, so just hang tight for me, okay? You got your registration, your license, and insurance on you? 6-4 to Wanacue. Can you send a unit to perform HDN?
Oh, you're welcome. Congrats.
Brett, give her your email to send the video to.
did hit a guardrail, what's the problem?
So are you admitting you hit a guardrail?
No, I'm just asking. Like, is it illegal to hit a guardrail?
It's leaving the scene of an accident.
It's illegal leaving the scene of accident, you said?
You could be written a summons for leaving the scene of an accident.
No, I totally get that, but
Okay, but
even if I did hit a guardrail and made no damage to property, then it's like, are you pulling me over?
well, we didn't pull you over. You were already pulled over. We're just talking to you because now it's an investigation. Okay.
Yeah, I just don't understand. Like, hitting a guardrail turns into an investigation.
Because we have video footage. We have video footage of you driving in an unsafe manner down Ringwood Ave. Okay.
Okay, so no, I totally understand that.
So now here's how it works. We get a call for service. Okay. All right, for an unsafe driver. Okay. All right, we make contact with the vehicle. We make contact with the driver. You're saying there's nothing wrong. So now we're doing our due diligence. Okay.
No, absolutely, officer. I'm not trying to test you or anything.
So
I'm
look,
just asking.
all right. So
Here's
based
my
on the
license and here's my restriction.
all right. So based on the video footage, it was a little alarming to us. Okay.
I've just gone through a breakup.
Okay. I'm sorry to hear that. Okay.
No, my boyfriend just broke up. I've been very upset. I was just coming here to get a vape.
Okay. Nothing wrong with coming to get a vape, but like I said, based on the video footage of the driving.
Absolutely.
Okay.
I understand too.
All right. So now we're going to investigate. Okay. If we don't see anything about your okay.
See anything about your?
Sorry, I had to listen to the radio. Okay. So now, if we don't believe you're under the influence of everything or intoxicated, you're going to be on your way because now the incident also happened in Ringwood. So Ringwood contacted us looking for this vehicle.
Okay.
Okay. You hit a guardrail in Ringwood. Witnesses called it into Ringwood.
Okay.
You traveled into our jurisdiction. We made contact with the vehicle.
I'm not questioning you at all,
Okay.
sir.
All right. So now what I'm going to ask you to do is step over here on the sidewalk. Okay. All right. So now are you willing to do some tests for us?
Absolutely.
Okay.
The initial test conducted was the horizontal gaze nystagmus, NANE, carried out by Officer William Lopez.
Okay, stay with your feet together, your arms down to your side, just like this. Okay. Do you have contacts in?
No.
Do you wear glasses?
No.
Okay. So there's nothing hindering your eyes from moving left to right. Okay. So, can you see the tip of this pen?
Yes, I can.
All right. What I'm going to ask you to do is follow the tip of this pen with your eyes and your eyes only.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes. Yeah, go. How many times have you do it? I remember doing all this in high school.
During the walk and turn test, Jillian did not maintain heel-to-toe contact on each step and executed the turn incorrectly.
3. Okay. I did 3 for demonstration purposes. You're going to do 9.
8, 9, okay.
9. Okay. Do you understand the test?
Yes,
okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to count your steps out loud.
Okay.
Look down at your feet. Keep your hands down to your side, and do not stop until the test is complete.
Honestly, officer, before I do this test,
Yeah. Absolutely.
do you absolutely agree with this showing people if they're drunk or not?
It is a good indication. Okay.
No, absolutely. I'm
Okay.
just wondering. But to you as a person,
Okay.
think
Do you mind?
this is a good test if someone's drunk or not?
It definitely helps.
Okay. Absolutely.
Okay.
So 9 steps back and pivot. 9 steps back.
Do you understand the test? All right. Get in the starting position. Hands down at your side. Okay. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The last test was the one-leg stand, during which Jillian was unable to lift her foot correctly and lowered it before completing the exercise.
Stop.
Okay, I'm just letting you know, officer.
Okay.
I'm not trying to fight with you or anything. I absolutely respect everything that you do.
Okay.
I have a very bad center of gravity.
Okay, so...
And I have medical.
Okay.
Notes
All that'll be taken into consideration, okay?
I'm just saying.
Okay, you like to interrupt a lot, though. That's the thing.
I'm not interrupting.
You're interrupting me explaining the test, okay?
Sir, I am not interrupting you.
You
I
are.
am informing you on what the things that are going on.
Okay. All
So,
that will
go
be
ahead,
taken into
proceed with your
consideration.
test.
Okay, so hands down at your side, feet together. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the test for you, okay? So I'm going to choose to raise my right foot. 1001, 1002, 1003. Yep, and you're going to stare down at your foot the entire time, okay? So do you understand the test? So you're going to choose either foot.
How long should I have to count?
You're going to count until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay, so do you understand the test?
Yes.
All right, you're going to raise either foot 6 inches off the ground, keep it parallel, look down on it, hands at your side, and count in the increments of 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000 until I tell you to stop.
Absolutely. Okay.
Okay, so you understand the test?
Yes, I absolutely
Okay,
understand.
can you get in the starting position for me, please? Okay? All right, you may begin.
3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000.
Yep, if you put your foot down, just continue counting where you left off, okay?
8 1,000, 9 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000, 12 1,000, 13 1,000, 14 1,000, 15 1,000, 16 1,000, 17 1,000, 18 1,000, 19.
All right, you can stop. You can put your foot down.
Due to vehicle damage, witness statements, the smell of alcohol, and failed sobriety tests, Jillian was arrested for DUI.
All right, can you turn around for me? Put your hands behind your back. You're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence, okay?
I put my foot down. I get considered on driving under the influence.
Okay.
Can someone please explain that to
We'll
me?
explain everything to you inside, okay? Go ahead.
I have a freedom of speech, and I have the right to know exactly what I'm saying.
Based on the totality of the circumstances, you are being placed under arrest for driving under the influence. Okay? 6-4 to Wanacue, 1016.
Alright, I'm gonna search you, okay? I'm a female. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pat you down. You have anything that's in your pockets that can poke me, stick me, hurt me, anything like that? You gotta, which pocket is that? Right. Your right front pocket? Yep. Okay, perfect. This is your vape? Put it right here. Turn your feet out. Nothing in your shoes? What's this right
Is there anything you need?
Insurance info, whatnot.
Stop.
You get the patience of a saint.
Yeah, try to, right? Templar.
Watch your, step to your left.
Okay, watch your head. Okay, now this officer, she's gonna reach over you to put the seatbelt on, okay?
Just sit back.
Jillian was charged with multiple offenses, including driving while intoxicated, DUI, careless driving, and failing to carry her license, registration, and insurance. As punishment, she was fined $830, required to install an ignition interlock device for 3 months, and had to complete 12 hours at an intoxicated driver resource center. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. That walk was something else. She was trying really hard to sell that she was pigeon-toed. A straight jacket would look much better on her. Can't believe they arrested her even after she explained that she has a medically documented bad center of gravity. This shows how one poor decision can lead to lasting consequences. Always drive responsibly and stay prepared. Let's move on to the next case. What do you think about these situations? Comment below to share your thoughts, and like this video if you want to continue calling out such cases. To stay updated, don't hesitate to subscribe to Urban Law.